for medase se wode o TV no ato Adom TV na woni beto na montuo e wo dwumadi ato na edini enkranhye mra yiso me amede dwumadi ho chia me edi amje so no eye Apostle Dr. Nita Kotego na obetimi afre obi na yeto na montuo megidi se baabi a woti bia ne nneoma a wo bia no usam yinia esefata wo empo entade a wo no bako mu a wo pepa empabo a wo mu no ebu a wo pepa chese obi a ne awo no ade bako bi wo ha ofa ne se enedamufua eba no ntade mu mpabo mu mpo nyonkofuo mu no bako mu a oyi no efri mu a ase enye yi sana woni padua so te wono ade bi bako wo a esombo ya wi ni firi mu abrabo na chese agija ese wabrabo atosi na mame no nkotwere kunkrumu na menka se mi kirewo wo se I chese mi nyankopon I wish above all things that you prosper and be in good health even as your soul prospers. O se eyame pese ubetumpon no nya pomodne kosise wadwene ana wokra betumpon, which means your prosperity and the state of your health physically, mentally and spiritually is dependent on the prosperity of your soul. Until your soul prospers, your life and your health will not prosper. Kosimra wokra entumpon no woni padua ususum wadwene ene wodi o manyina ntimi ntumpon sana asema meka ne kire ye ene kire se oni pabia no you first need to seek a prosperity in your soul and so ntumpon wo kra mu before you can talk about prosperity externally. Ne ka soul. Now what is your soul? Your soul is made up of three things. Wo kra no ne ma mensa ene ehye wo kra mu, your thoughts, your emotions and your will. Kwan ya ofa so dwene ana adwene gu wadwene proso watin kan a wo kanya no ene ne awode opeye wope ene kambo mu a ene ye se uso se sa ne ma miensa wentumpon a untimi ntumpon. But of all the three things that makes up your soul, your thoughts, your emotions and your will, the major one which you have to focus on is your thoughts. Se me kind Solomon adebe odi jamia or say even as you think so shall you be. It's a divine law. Kwan ya ofa so adwene no sa na abrabo beye. Se wadwene akoye se afidie mu engine eno aso ye key eno aso ye battery ena ekura wo. As you treat your thoughts, so shall you be able to treat your life. Whether in your marriage, whether in your business, in your other relationships, and everything you do is dependent on the thoughts. In every day, there are demands that are placed on you. Na emra ukrana asemra nusa ongana dia sashi emra no kontem na etoda bi kura usewa ho den so dia benya na eketo abi. At the end of the day, you spend more energy, but you seem not to get anywhere in life. It is not that your time is insufficient. It is not that the demands on your life are too much. It is because your thoughts are insufficient. Enye adeso aso wo na mu oduo ana how a wo hia no na edine anempo emre na eni ho emre de ho pa ena abrabo nso no gitumu se ohaw ni apinide akwaside beba na mom ni atosin any kwanya ofaswa odwene. You have not been able to take control over one major source, the power you have to create the life you want. Onyame edi tumi bi ehyewo mu se tumi no nkwa na wo wonsam ya obetimi ade ania wo ye. The reason why you are stuck in life, the reason why you are experiencing instability in your marriage The reason why you are not even making a headway in life, the reason why you are sad and angry is because of the thought you are encouraging. What do you do? Every morning and every afternoon, every evening, life will present you with opportunities. These opportunities are clothed in challenges, in troubles, in obstructions, in demands that are external. Ube share a coincidence, ube share how, ube share empo, enipa sebe wano kasa enko benkrumu, ube share will be a sebe na no kasa bema empo webutu, enembo habe share be a coincidence, but you have the power to overcome all these things. Now no be na me advert be or say I got the power. I don't know if you remember that advert. There was an advert that says I got the power. Not joy for neighbors advert. No. Indeed, every human being made in the image of God, you've got the power. There's a secret power which all of historians katete and him before and I'm a four when I go school pon esua adwimu ekan konioma psychologists and empo philosophers one year enimdi ewa brabomu empo 1 year ekandifo ewo asori ahodo mu ene 1 year edimu abrabomu no wogichumu se ade ba ko pe ena wohia se nipa benya yedie ana obeko se yemu ana enkoguobu. That secret evolves around the simple idea you are what you think, good or bad. Nia wo dwene no, that's what you are. You are what you think. You see, so what kind Proverbs and Mebusem 23 verse 7, a trade numiansa, Jimson no say, for as he thinks in his heart, so is he. Quite your first dream, son warrior. When Yansani Solomon and a dear same way too. Life consists of many waves of thoughts. They keep flowing through your mind. It is the duty of you to make a choice, to identify which thoughts you have to entertain and which thoughts you have to ignore. Adichibia, adwina ho do na ewura wa adwene proso. O so anopa, o kokromu, unam mfinchire, unam brono so, empo beda, adwene bebre na ewura wa adwene pie. Wo kwan se obetimi akasa adwene we, mekoso adwene ho, adwene we me sound. Therefore, because your thoughts are so important to determine the results of your life, it is incumbent upon you to determine what thoughts you have to entertain and what thoughts you have to discard or ignore. Oshemia, adwene be na wodwene. Oshe ho a, adwene be na wodwene. Oshe wa brabo wo daachi adwene be na wodwene. Oshe ho kani wo mma ne wadwuma adwene a wodwene no ebetimi akenya ho ana ebetimi ama wahwe ewiase dia ye nyina gina adwene a wodwene so. Our lives are about the world of our thoughts. Ya brabo a yebui no ye wo wiase bi ete ya adwene proso ye fe na adwene thinking na enna wo kora ne yi a ebe kora brabo yi abusua ene day the person be so assembly. Think about what you are thinking about. What are you thinking about regarding your life, your marriage, your business, your health? What you think about will determine the outcome of your life. Ahana meja wo na mada wase so onya amrehwe mi koso ahwe dumedi a edi akire wo badwa mu yimu na mame na ase na mem crowd say woni onyamentra edi am jeso anita kotego me da me producer Randolph ena eja webe kampeduasi na madam sound osmosis am sia na lighting ne from managers won yanse wo kira so ebehia dwadwempa
ya mwachemu akwa Badwam TV Badwam so yadanita ekotegu ase ne nkranhyen sama no pay ensama sie ne braso sauti biesa Adom kase ye todwa omu bi ya wobetie nie kane mampani John Dramani Mahama dibia ma mampani adodanko akufuado sa memu onya brofo akese yɛde mu nkyerɛmu no ɛbɛbrɛ mu na afei yɛabɔwura ɛyɛ nsɛm foforɔ mu kwadwo bafo ɔhene yɛ wɔ hɔ ɛde ato fulanifoɔ anim so wɔn sɛ wɔn nneɛma nyinaa mfiri kuro no mu ɛnte saa deɛ wɔn bɛhunu bibi saa nsɛm no ne nsɛm bi na nɔpɛ mede brɛ sa Adom TV Badwam kaseɛ wɔ Facebook/Adom TV kaseɛ no wɔ hɔ Go TV channel 176 DSTV 280 media fia amankwa tamaklo afia ne die mu tie sɛ den nsɛm no nkyerɛmu ankasa ɛtie kane mampani John Dramani Mahama de bia mane mampani adodankwa akufuado sa mamuo wɔ hɔ yi enye brofo akɛseɛ de nti a mampani dada ɛkasa nsɛmi no Adom TV kaseɛ ɛtɔ so
na saa no me buku kakra na sa mo amoka incompetent mo nye adwumaida mo ne ho experience mo ben o mampani akonya no da eso dey be incompetent make I say President Kufuor and President Rawlings e ka sa assembly chairman media tum eso mo dey mo nya ho experience mo nya ho mampoda eno na aba no
eno achi impanyefo bi owo mo ogomo esimpeswa no so ye bi kura pese predibre enso de tudwa e kire se omo de machi tan nya be maka ne mampanyi John Dramani Mahama e wo ND samanyeko ne prime minister enche wo mo de be hyehye so no emu
for your last 3 years we got about 98% of them for next year you never say you why you
Nyameka chamani se brand so 13th May Moya Mahama Zua, no my Jasmine, sir. Esa say, Jasmine, my mejumo, men are met to me, Aka Mahama, Nayabua, Emma Gomoa East, NDC party, Apani to my pa.
Hene ya wo kojo bofo Dr. Ajare bofo ye wo yeji wo buno ismantam ne mu so de kokoba mu odin e ma fulanifo wo se won pa wo ne wonyam anyina wo mu emfiri kuro no mu ente saade a wo behunu bibi e wo ho Adom kaseɛ ɛtɔ so
ɔhene ɔwɔ kwadwo bɔfoɔ Dr. Ajare bɔfoɔ wɔ yɛ agyiye no ɛwɔ bu no ismantam no emu ɛde kokɔba no ɔden ma fulanifo wɔ kwadwo bɔfoɔ so mo from asas ne so nkonya saade a ɔmbɛfra kokɔ salolo na abro ne nsɛntwerɛfo edi nkomo no wɔkyerɛ sɛ fulanifo yɛ wɔ hɔnom no bɛyɛ mfe bebreni ɛna mo de ade hye wɔ hɔnom na fa atete mu na ɛnam sensu ta ponkyerɛni a wɔgye wɔ ne ntino sɛ die amen wɔ mo
Fulani herdsmen are disturbing the farmers on Kojobofo land. There is no week we will not get a complaint about farmers, cattle destroying the foodstuff of farmers on our land. We have called the Fulani chief, spoken to him, we've brought letters from our lawyer, Lawyer Bribuahi, warned him, and they are not taking it serious.
Eno achi, Adom kaseɛ ne akafo ne bia wɔ hɔnom de nkomo, wɔn sim bi ɔde to dwa eni.
Afi mado buru eka 9 eburu no mi ankasa metumi hu se buru no yeye pa ada ade be kye amere no bekɔ hɔ kɔbu buru no omo akɔto se frenifoɔ ne ntwe na kɔwi ni nyina bakuse kura wo anya mbu
frenifoɔ timi esuma ye nantwie omo so nantwie no kɔ afuo no mu kɔwi sa ammoa ne nyina nnuama ne nyina wo mo we yesa kan so kura na wo mo di echi epɛ ya abore
ɛbrɛ bi atwam ekuro a de japido wo kwandai mensin mu northern region agye enkrofo foforo bi ya wo fra won ho tadando na wo matena somdwe mu pa wa won ho ya adwuma bibia ebom na wo mo ahunu se school ni kuro no mu nte so wo mo ti school kakra bi pa o chechire ni bi wo mo aya na aban ani aba ho se nkra na ekɔ mo nim te o se esi school e de ema ekuro no na kuro no se abeda ne mienu ye wo japido e na fe ye wo tatando se obi a pese school no emra ne kuro no mu ti adane manso den e wo afane no mienu ntam a Adom kase ewura ho etwa so
Japido ewo Pandai district kroi emua na womo ete tadando na sakro mienu yi womo ofako sakro mienu yi ka kwan ene da womo entem enam se suku eni kro mienu yi mu yi enam so omanfo ete kro mienu yi mu yi aya na womo ekope etichafo na womo abekire won ma ade enam se womo ekoso ewo kro mu wa enkwada yi ade chi ade sebia no womo do so ntino enam so ama ban no ede nema gu akwam so besi suku ede ama krom yenu yi na boa wonomu emam adesua krom yenu yi na agitum se suku yi ayade a ebeboa won mamo adesua nanso mentem wase eba womo emienu ntem enam se na obia pese school dan no empatem a womo ewo mu no.
Japido wanted the school to be in their land because they claim they were here before Tadando settlers came. And when that wasn't done, they refused to bring their children to the school. I think if we meet the community elders, we may get the reasons from the horse's own mouth.
Abano enhihye mu no wo hu se kro baako de emofra womo ewo ho no edoso esine kro baako kro aye ka ho asem yi a womo mofra edoso no eye Tadando ne ho anaban ekosi suku yi ewo nanso womanfo a womo Japido se womo ekoko apai enam se aban no akosi suku ama wonmu enuamo a suku no ama wonti no enya de a womo bema womo emamo akosuku ewo Tadando we enam so ema Joy News in Central ni Jojo Kobina ene opini baako a wo Tadando ka jo Samuel etwetwe ho nkomo
no mo say school am ebe bi Tadando no nti omo na ye mpanyifo omo na di kan betena aha nti omo makwan se omo di omo kura de den ade aba etarna ha nti ti sa de omo ye den omo mba nti ni ntina omo mba e
ahyase no omo
Bayanto akase no so na yankonsam foforo mu na US mampani abede akire ne nsahwe ya wode ba oman Ghana mu no asamba kwa waka de atoso biem se wonne Ghana ban beka bomo na mmoa wodo bia mahia ebeso wonde ewo nyuma yem bibia mu no omude beba Adom TV etwaso.
And there are many factors that impact a woman's ability to survive and thrive. One of those is economic empowerment. And when we lift up the economic status of a woman, let's be clear, we lift up the economic status of her children, her family, her community, the entire economy benefit. So know that the United States of America will work alongside our partners each and every day to close gender gaps here and around the world.
Enwachi wasan echere ekwan a aban ebetimi edisika asha ICT esuemu na maburu no so etimi ehunu de ekoso ewa aba fonten tan so ede wo mu ahyemu.
The second area where we must together make progress is in the digital economy. Whether you are a student relying on virtual courses, a farmer relying on an app for an early warning about extreme weather, or a small business owner looking to sell goods online. Digital services are essential to 21st century economies. There are places on the continent of Africa that lead the world in digital solutions.
Nani mabunu achocho ro ya wo mugina wia no so twen US mampani abede akire no ne waka ene de wo mu so te ye de omuni mfa ho no woni Adom TV atwaso.
Many a Japan, if you say, na me ba no na me say obeka asem foforo bi ba me ba no can be say obabe ye partnership with Ghana, not for Ghana. So I remember we say on be impose on Ghana rather obabe boyen ama yetimi ama Ghana tumpon.
Sharing Christ say the idea be a we be a sell bano a song still wona ngusu enje. Wherever you find yourself, either being social, economical, political, any way be a be showing Christ say obey me because we drew through and also so motivating and say.
And the more solutions we solve here in Africa, we can put Africa on the spotlight all over the world. And coming here to Ghana, it will also make the whole world to pay attention more to Africa. So I think Ghana is lucky to have her here. I just hope she can come to Nigeria too.
And Amanda, me faka from all the way from Aguna Hunter, and I may be do Accra and then me be do Ahomachi and I may far boat now traffic here very much in the Missy Femnanti and I may be do her and impact our audience and a be break.
I'm very happy to be here today. I feel empowered that the Vice President talked about empowering women, of course, and that she encouraged our youth because I'm encouraging our young men. I don't want our young people to leave Ghana. I want them to stay and build our motherland.
Any speaker Aban Baben so wadibia mane US mampani abedi akire woni ni le mo ni fi asem na yen anti gay bill no kwan e be fa so e be ye num ni ade ende no de wo Ghana for no ayensem eno nso nsama etodwa eni.
I was so happy when I read that Pope Francis directed that no Reverend Father should celebrate over a gay or lesbian marriage. And I said, Roma locuta complete, causa finita. Yes, Rome has spoken and the matter is ended. So please, committee members that will refer the bill to, we want the report. Don't be intimidated by any person. I made this statement when I was a member of the European Parliament, European ACP Parliament in Brussels. Now we have two of our members who happen to be leading our committee, Constitutional, Legal and Parliamentary Affairs, who are handling the bill. And since we referred it to them up to date, we have not heard anything. I've reminded him many times on the floor of the House. What are the challenges you are meeting? Report to us. If you take action against them, say, oh, because I'm MPP. That's why he's taking action against me. Ah, I'm NDC. Because he's taking action against me. Because he's not in my party. That kind of division, that is not the purpose of politics. Politics is meant to unite us. Diversity is natural. There's nothing you can do about it. That is creation. And that is the spice of life. How come we are using that to divide ourselves? I hope.
And you're right, Bagman, and some for Fromo no what they and some to a dra ya watch them more as a was some Rashabeja for so one more one we pa a wapomodi a mo sabeya a womb pofru womu sano and yaminti a bay one a few more and some no Adom Cassier et was so.
Abrebetojwa ewo mrashebedwem se mrashebedwani ewo kumawu atwa nananom ewo nsiedo no we enam so ema mrashebedwem chiame aban babin edito mrashebedwafo enim se womo enhwe se womo ebehwe womo apomuden wo kasa wo de tudwa se sesi abetojwa se mrashebedwani atwa nananom ewo nsiedo yi womanfo ebekekem nanso ehun behia se daa ne daa no womanfo ebehwe womo apomuden se ne womo benya hoden so ede aye adwuma.
We should try to reduce the stress that we go through in trying to represent our people. I don't need to emphasize the need for us to do continuous medical check. And I don't need to remind us that the rule is that you should not sit at one place for more than 2 hours, myself inclusive.
Dom kwa benyam Rashabedwani Sarah Adwasafo na yehunu no Rashabedwamo acher pa nanso nra yehunu ho a na yese wahye tuntum na ne nyina agina kwa Rashabedwani na nei woto na nanom nsie do no Adom kase etwaso.
Asemena mbekacho mpesasofo na ngana fo nyina.
Me don't want to so much course for time that you don't pay. I might be a 2 days. So let me do that's what me don't
na isa ne se wane fele baso a wakọ ne nkra chire na ekọ emrahye mu afikuro mu nti no wofa sa akwanya no so e de ya akonsem e ma ne na busua ene wono mu a wona abato mpesua no si ho no mu nyina.
But we can for ya ko ona bu baso a me ne le ra Parliament. You see, the more dembo and the Maoli, I think for your trip, for the particular Siani, and Tasha Sufu, and Nigana Maya.
Nipa mienu a wonso ani abrese NDC mampani adwan wo bepribie Dr. Kwabnadofo ne Neskwaku Kobia enso eko committee no anim ema yekovete wo mani ensama hodo ya ye bisa wo mo ene kwan wo befa so wo mo benya tumi na Badwam party na di nkonimo no ehun nsam Adom TV etwaso.
He knows what he's about, and so naturally the committee was very interested in hearing his opinions on various things concerning the Republic of Ghana and the people of Ghana. About his intentions and the plans he had for the country and the party. They also interrogated his CV, and he was up to scratch. You've got very, very, very intelligent people on the committee, very forceful people on the committee, and they wanted clarity. And that clarity was given to Dr. Dufo this morning, or right up to this afternoon.
Emane boni kwa mienum echire muse ohwe enra sede enkane mampanyi John Dramani Mahama ekokoduru ho no enipa eboje ne so etudi na chi no a enye sa na Dr. Kwabnadofo omanfo edihia no enso ni nyina mu no empanifo a wo mu enene Dr. Kwabnadofo enante echire se ba wo ba ye no won hyeda empese enipa ebehunu wo mu.
Ours was a low-key appearance, all right? This was supposed to be devoid of a crowd. When we came to file our nomination, we were followed by the grassroots. And Dr. Dufo is a man of the grassroots. The members of parliament, whom I respect and used to be my colleagues, have their opinions. But I think that we didn't orchestrate anything. We came here low-key because this was a vetting. It was a very, very serious approach. The filing of the nomination was a bit of a fanfare, so we came with a lot of people and we had fun.
Adroba foni akwantufoɔ ya womo efa dambai womo de pantu no ekɔ eba bribia na nedie wani atitu egu wonsam fi se pantu no asai to obi ntime nko obi ntime ma wakosam Adom kase etwaso.
Oh yeah, but Otibridge to them. I am determined and I've made the promise and I am going to see to it that it is done. There are some here, the Oka legacy, it is going to be my legacy for this region, Otibridge. Yes, and only technical university Nina about.
Yamani buni eni ashenkafo eni akwantufo a wani atutu aka wonsam no ekotwetwe nkomo na wonom nso nsem a wodi tu nanimu no eni.
I don't know what the problem is, but Saturday, me myself, I traveled to a village. Coming back, then they said the pantu is full. So my car is still over the bars up to today, and we don't know what actually is happening. The pantu is not working. We are struggling with the boat, and it's not safe. So they should do something about it for us. Our lives are not safe in this community at all.
Se pantu no enye adwuma no form mra na o meton bayre ne niema bo mo hwe cost na odi bayre be free sebrai ana banda na krake ba bedura soja na pantu asai no wayi bayre na to oyi bayre to afi na odi beba boat edi beba odi ba bedru nsuano na wasafa motoki afa aba market site ha dwene nti aban no yesra aban no hwe mai pantu no de the workload here no emboa
no.
Badwam kase na no pay na ha ne brema kwan na ye de asie de adu so no de bo enkrata no ne online stories na bre aso se de ebro ye da se pa mre ne adaje ya wunya homache bre mu de hye no ye ni som dodo sa wo kwa adwuma Awurade mfa nkomra na mo wutimi hye live on so Facebook/Adom TV sa wonye hyenkeni so ya da mo ase pa nti o mahine kwabna sante enso e wo ha nti yenko na online stories no yenko hwe ensem ahodo ya aba ene anope uko adomonline.com eno so Boko Haram 4 chief killed by his own bomb. Wow. ede yase Boko Haram fo no ankasa wo mu ankasa wo mu chief no bomb na bia na ne de afom kwan ama aba bedu wo no ankasa no so ntino online story adomonline.com ne nsema wo no ede ebaye enso enono enafe armed police officers and soldiers clash in Accra Central as traders run for their lives. And also, the online story adomonline.com ne de abeno adom kase said the mamo so ete no edie no black meteors no so nyame adom so ayade pa Nigeria for omo etimi ebiti won mo a say under 23 AFCON no womo a qualifier won mo eko ehono so from feature KJT market fire. Traders warn to desist from forceful opening of shops. And also asem adomonline.com and pay also edi abani sama hudu bebre ewo adom online wokọ hono mu a ni nyina so egu ho man ne kwabna santen so abeka mensa do bonkrata no enso aye kradwa ode to aso me mu akọ aba be ma
so na me hu de ti this week here no enyi hu ni sisi mi ti be de bi abeki atama mi ntia mi wo odo ho adwendwen miwo enoa nekumi
times a week ye na ekoyi wo fie ntino ya na reflect wa abonti
na me so me do no
na nyame ya duma Saturday so ye be
ya ma me do fu ye yimi ama se is odo be u ta baby se ye fi aba kwata ba ku na wo na wo no me ne wo na wa hata ma me and then bibia da ho clear bu da plane oh chia
so ka no was no
no from me ka was no ana wo from and then we come oh ya mo na say
and ya chow
oh mami ni ya mo na say bam
ya chow kra
ana fe wo be du no so no onipa no ntem tete no
ya chow so ni mi yeso
abofundo na se o mu tete o mu tem no fe keke
ya
e ba odo do
so odi ni ye
unya de o too much after mami obi no obi ofena akoa ata mami me se mo ba mo ti bi da musa sa ata mami ne wan ata mami o mami suru mi ya ata mami besi me ti ho so erade jere be
yo hu ne yo
afi aba kwa ni mo di komodo do na wakase bo no nsema hodo apie wo nyina no de bia da de me ka nyina se bibia o pe bia obetime nya owiase ba asumdwe a very important piece onyame mu asumdwe titu asumdwe bia ni ba bia agi nyame mu asumdwe kwa na obi wo sika oni asumdwe obi wo adan oni asumdwe obi wo asan hodo e ko he ba nyina oni asumdwe adwuma nyina ampa obi oni asumdwe ti asumdwe papa ma papa de that kind of peace na one kasa oti oni peduanim se bibia e boko oni peduanim no onyame nkwa na betimi de ama mesel ya ka we no me de bia mbekwa kwata Dr. Fiaman kwa achi na I remind you quickly say ma wapo mudin ho nsem enhian early detection is very important ma wapo mudin ho nsem enhian kase pa di wo hwe bia no mesel adjust your lifestyle is important, very very important. Inti na say the ones that me advocate for that, it's very important because you be nyami be shira mo nya sika iti hweye ubedi ye iti hweye, it's very very important. Wanya nyami awie no mo apomu de wonsem enhia nyesa ebidu baabi no na afi o tie so ma ne boroso enkwa hia so adwumadi e ba so Adom TV brebe ne brebe
Memenda 7
Memenda bia no jebre enyumre na 7 p.m. Memenda bia just spend 45 minutes na hwe de ekoso ewo apomudin ewiase ene wankaso apomudin 45 minutes enkwa hia edin kura ba ka kire se wonkwa hia ti enkwa hia memenda bia uhia afia mankwata makru enna pamfo enyumre no nso bia de enti amaje breka we ni se yetoto ya pomudin ajeje mu bre ade bedu ayaresabia no na bre a doctor fo ekofa nimbiafo wiase nyina akraba no na aginyame bre na adu enye papa, but you can avoid it now, you can manage it now. Enti mesremu amadaro mama pomudin wonsem no ehia mo pai na encha Speaker of Parliament Alban Kingsford Sumana Badwam akachire mo se sa nkomo kwa na mpesi be ba speaker wi yen Oni ewi odi atoto honum baby ese
obi anya ne de mo famra ne ye mu
odi atoto na akwam se we da ha we kasa bi na we e de becha bibia ni ho we be sha ha se we be si ha ye wi ti mo amu makoma ya mo yi amu guso titi di makache o man bia ni ho e di atem na ayo iti wa na won ti ase se na na do na force na na do na force na the speaker of Ghana's August parliament you know he's spoken the SSA yen say what trepefe say or no crown enwie en kwa no wa kire ba bi o de bobre da do say mo bi aha no kra we dey we e kire te ne kwa ba bi omo pa omo nya ade na esuma si dwa wo Ghana omo di suma si dwa nya ne ye ko suku nyina no na bia nipa dodo na na esua ba omo koso mo nso ma ma adwene say mo de mo hu mo be hwe mo so be ka mo be pro mo ko mo no eti amra me sere obebre nya wo na wo be ko obi ntokwa ama no Junior wadamfo hokani urabi wabusuani bi o saati bi ma wo si wani abia bompaye se Awurade be hu ni mobo no Awurade be kire ni de ese oye nya wo na wo be hye na akodi sika akwo no ne sa de etan na wo haircut kwa je obi si ope wo ho siesie na obi si ompe so it's a question of yen koso manyame hu mobro nto ye nuanu mu a won wo saati bi ma yen nim se enye papa than to do things that will even about James and Nasakura. I saw body be out the abatiano. They be out the abatiano. Over fellow about cry, but no, no, share bad saying for Bona BBC Yancy Preco. Timrano, you may pass it. But me, you know, as I say, Yatima and a cross from could be. And my union binima. Ye Gidiamono, you use a honor or mat to sing. Simple.
Medofo posiniba.
Yeah.
Or Achimoda, Teresa. Aye. Teresa Nyako Butri.
Teresa.
What's what you?
Teresa.
Now why is one of
Teresa Medasia? And will be painting a boisrewa. Nankana Frimpon. And can the Shebrini. Camera Frimpon.
So ma.
Frimpon. The one who acquire independence square.
Sir.
Hey. And if you are me, I can say my main concreters because who got the main coffee parts, man. I can't condense to my many. That's how America Bamba found the emotional. Padaya.
And also now.
I did not Bamba rough, you know one.
Sir.
Just the security man, you know, embracing. You're a journalist or from what? No, from what? Oh, come on. Come on. Use a free pause like a came.
Obi obo de ka ba de boy. Wa be chia.
If report bush of you now, mo de share the gogochia, US man be be de chira na san ki yete no. E wi echi no mo ene ba no mo bam no.
Wa esta.
Anya ki no wa bam no. Nti no wa fa ho adidi. Report next time. According
to size.
Mountain Black Meteors match in Ko. Oh, we need. Oh, good. Yes, oh, so what kakra. Oh, wow.
Don't qualify for under 23.
Oh, yes. Don't must pass almost. Now, the Spain cry, Scotland, Asia, Spain. I say, I want papa ball. And your papa. Oh,
now one can media ma share kotoko.
Na se kotoko fans ye kasa pina mu ntwa so enya biri nyina na papa ebi ho ma wo sane bi wo afro na na bra ko
ya na mu yetua mu kala mu ye sane ma
fia ma ko ja kotoko sama no bi pina kotoko
wo ye nzuni apamu coach and you want can was them because has an ka
has ye cheer for has so well enter that se midi ka be bread when you make us na kwa ukwada I was a penny I go can see na fi interview say the be bro na dey person mu e dey abro na no nkono yakoso account for am say Adom TV koso share because your nyoma papa e ho pa e dey ma waka online stories nyina wi nsema do I trade the work atem dey bring my ho kwan ye dey bro daily graphics your upon Nkrumah rally support for 3 revenue bills and what's them one say and of a US Africa partnership based on mutuality Kamala Harris and Akase Kasepa then man say at graphic national development series give ear to our Greek experts Asante Hene Anna Ene Aban Kase Afeoba the custodian so I say let's all support revenue measures upon Nkrumah to Ghanaians of the NDC MPs to face privileges committee omufo nyine one say Ablaji Fagomashi Ibrahim Mutala Mohammed Zenato Ajiman Rollins in Swassim. Afe and not that Microm this year, Microm MP, ye shrin a ready to Safreno, Nimfuni one see, Era Philip Baswan, so a while. I say, Era Chairman Sabu Swatcho Kratat and TV, a fan hona, or Canipana, or Yen Shira, Parliament Beshara de, and Nikuma additions, Yabeshara de, and Ghana, and Subeshara, and Yababusia, Yako, Kokra. They find that the Obokrata seedlings providers owed 28 million Ghana cedi, not 2.5 billion Ghana cedi. Ero who should be anono so akase. MTN cash out for 25 million Ghana ICT hub. Dr. Addison asks MPs to prioritize revenue bills to ease economic crisis as zero financing of budget sets in soon. And what's about the publisher, the Obokrata. LGBT talks at Jubilee House. Speaker questions Akufo-Addo. And the publisher, Asade Abeniboti, houseboy found Kumau MP collapsed in his bedroom. MPP declares 7 days mourning. And once them say the Ghanaian Times and so Akasa will say, oh, my the dress and I name if you know, even though if you haven't quite sure be the dress name the same dress, you know. And yeah, Kamala, yeah. A corporate affairs multimedia. Wow. That's stars now the 90s. I just call way gay and send a Christian sign. Oh, good. And I see a call a year Kumasi Wesley Girls High School and media. Harris addresses youth at Black Star Square, and US commits to fast tracking African innovation for economic growth. I want some MTN for one saw that one carty for construction of a 25 million Ghana ICT hub. And so Ira Baswan Ghana joins Atlantic Corporation as founding member. And so on. Yedi ACN daily guide 8 parish in Oti River. That's for.
You see boat, you know, I'm memories today. I have some no more pictures and crows and penny for me who cry pictures. Arrow. And what's some? And then my penny, Nana don't go for a birthday. And yes, all to your man. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Mampeni nyami show nyame okese. Na umfia wedie Erade kwaso ankrakra saa maye. Oma wo enkwa hodin ewomo ni nyansa de bebu man aboama emufo nso yenya so mfaso. Erade ndomo no wasoafo ene umpanifo no wabusia nyina adom a ebradom nyina so. Nefa bu man no eyie kosisi obekọ wahomechiemu. Enye ono nkwa Dr. Philemon.
Oh, Mensa. Yes, Dr. Kaito. And 29th.
And 29th.
Oh, okay, Dr. Philemon. Yes, happy birthday. Dr. Sronko. Young man doctor.
Yeah.
About home
very fresh guy.
Yeah, Dr. Philemon.
Dr. Philemon, happy birthday. It's a happy birthday, Dr. Philemon. Oko Asampa FM. Saturday, beer 8 p.m. Also, they are from Dini Jina so den. Tinyami show, Yamenyo Kessie, because it's on by Kessie. Pa, Tino Yavi.
Okay, so you see, I'm saying, because Akwasinya, your presidential correspondent, presidential staffer, Mamponi this year, a potential abusia paying or a 9 Makoma Kongotri, and Osai philanthropy, Sai Queenie, Namia Dum, a brass say, a lady or semi money space. No, going in a home because I'm a semi-dica, Akwasiliba.
Yana munyina wase so go so ehwe bedwam ewo Adom TV so live on DSTV channel 280 so na Go TV channel 276 and so o share live and so on. Yes to be on Facebook Adom TV and on YouTube so kwa search Adom TV and me show videos pa asebidika ebre enie meneni akwasi insiana sekese komo mahene kwa brasa ntene efia makwa tamaklo so mde Kasiano ene the Bokata any online stories abre ne adruye asemwa ne ka emu edru na osi enya obiman di animu na etibika ene fe no asemi dika Anapa bi chia emra hye bedwafo nyina megiri se mo ho eye Speaker of Parliament so me chiaw. But quickly director sir bibia ya crowd dia. Famiko Uganda na men hye ya hefo ade bi honom. Uganda for timidi bosumi kakra bi entem. Aya mamre emu edru etia ade efe no LGBTQI+. Gay and lesbianism. Ade apotoka se twika se ye fer trumu ene supi. Na tie emamra Uganda for ahyehye be se edu enkron eko edu. Nerika osini pa bi e be kire se oye trumutu no straight away yenku no. Uganda for emra na abasese no. Na brother da hall ma ye de equality abeso wakohye mu kena. Ya tire ma kom se nipa bi e be kire se oye trumutu o Uganda yenku no straight away. Obi bia ono so ye be hu ni se odi trumutu wana mo bia no oko emfinhia adwenu 20 years ena nso oko obi bia beti se wo so nam na abodawro ade mo ye trumutu ni supi no onso ye so be kom 20 years wo ye no so 20 obi bia ono so obetwe nkwada akowura trumutu dwumadiem bia nso no onso 20 years obi bia ono so trimu power adwempo se obetu trumutu wana mo bia no onso 14 years obi bia be chini bia se opese oye alamontuo bia wo trumutu alamontuo bia nso no emfinhyedu nipa wode wo dan efiewura ya wode wo dan be ma anse ye fa ya trumutu bia wo Uganda no emfinhyedu akoda bia be chi wo se wo ye trumutu wo Uganda emfinhya miensa and some trade maku ambaji asimu samu boda road ya abua matrumutu akoso Uganda ye bebo mo ka 1 billion shilling eno achi ye beji mo license be season for enfinhia du Uganda within the shortest possible time omatim ni sama mra we ayadwuma but this I'm from America man pani Barack Hussein Obama maka say so my disappointed Uganda man peninsula so chem so disappointed pa cry in America ko da che enye ne that part for me call Parliament of Ghana website na men kire ahwefo atiefo ade o hwe Facebook gabransi na be hwe ade ahonom why hwade of Facebook o Adom TV hwade esie ba me House Select Committee begins public hearings on anti-LGBTQ+ law. Date near 12 November 2021. This is Parliament of Ghana website. Storyway, our website be Badwam online or MyJoy online. But we have decided to use Parliament of Ghana for publication more a year. 2021. You were 2023. Etinoshi asembisa yebisa ewo TV nasia. Adena Ghana LGBTQ+I. Amamra na koto ba se bi fiem no. I cherish sa. Ade. Everybody. Interest ne die. Everybody. And anyam na make can say yo. Me tumre no ma chese say anyam na make can say yo. Question na me bisa no enye makosi say na me bisa say me questions wo ho ya me bisa but me bisa Speaker of Parliament Right Honorable Alban Kings for Sumana Bagben questions na me bisa ba no that about standing by the video for me oh bisa committee no committee why Committee na moshe abua ama siyebe pasio siyem pasio samu ya mabra wodwan why Let quickly me share Speaker of Parliament enra oni asofo no edi nhyiemu o ma hye fem no questions na obisa ye hwe bi emra na de emra beto aso
I was so happy when I read that Pope Francis directed that no Reverend Father should celebrate over a gay or lesbian marriage. And I said, Roma locuta complete, causa finita. Yes, Rome has spoken, and the matter is ended. So please, committee members that will refer the bill to, we want the report. Don't be intimidated by any person. I made this statement when I was a member of the European Parliament, European ACP Parliament in Brussels. Now we have two of our members who happen to be leading our committee, Constitutional, Legal and Parliamentary Affairs.
Okay. Chami and Nim, Osnana, where you assume. It was a Yamna, this is Speaker of Parliament. And I call it on the committee, say, we need the report. Because Speaker correct who say, I did not check. Speaker, you are not take committee, say, any who you made, no, or no Casa Crown say, I did not check. Bagana for yen tieni ye. Membu Gana mrashebe de fiem enim tiada. Membu Gana mrashebe de fiem enim tiada. But I can say, without means of words, I say, this 8th Parliament of Ghana can't be trusted. When money is involved, this 8th Parliament of Ghana can't be trusted when money is involved. One, Mr. Speaker, with all due respect, near Ghana for year training, we say a die on the bill. It shouldn't be a secret balloting. The day you beto LGBTQI plus bill no wabano. And you can say a secret balloting, Mr. Speaker. In fact, maybe today we were challenged with MPs about what a secret. MPs are not in Parliament to represent themselves. Parliament is not for MPs. But yena 30 million population and quarantine yini pa 275 say omunkotronom emwa Ghana kanko enwe peyo. So if you are in Parliament, you are representing a man for interest. Minim de to so kokoya de say secret. Especially about issues that border on Ghana and Puntu. But you minim de tia e also say about no e secret. If indeed the MPs are not there for their parochial interest, on my behalf. On MP. On my behalf. Some secret extra wine. Secret extra wine. Speaker, sad no see a TV HM. Ghana Fontaine Tennessee and Shinian for Shibo. And to message your fosso. Near to say LGBTQI plus bill no. Yenye secret ballot. I'm telling you, say, Parliament will reject it. I'm telling you, Parliament will reject it. But be a bit near severe kakra the president appending his signature because and he open a president on yet. But ye jama ye 8th Parliament here woman. Parliament here woman. Yeah, are losing the value. Parliament of Ghana 8th Parliament here woman. Are losing the value. Ye jaise omo enko to LGBTQI plus. And what back kwemwa. Ombeji sika. I reject it. Bill no. We want an openness. We want fairness. This is the position of Ghana. Yami and watch Nebeshia.
Akwaba kese be ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwonjum ade so dia o kan si on sempa sa kana no pen so ja medin di Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace akudie catch ba ko pe the only nomenclature the professors agree in sports. The Regina Wallace, the nation's presenter, and Messi Kunyana Mekono Quantum Coding Small and Sakan and Penso, our Ghana good age. Shannon Swam, Senuma Kunyam and San Madama, woman abom scheduled men and no penso, Yaden common 18 bro. One expert have always told you that betting there is better than Sakawa, who tried before, didn't before trying to come be a Dinukuma Manum. Catch a bush for now for your mouth as for none and Mukrumu, and on Pnafu Nas will be a fan who knew. Busia bet with money that you can afford to lose. Kay Yano, and no any deeper bet. Nemo Huma, Busia Japadibs as I say, Jow, Western Messica, Ubia, Fanya, waiting Tebida Coton, Fanny Naku Guso, the Ketua Casino, 1x bet, and one dancing, only moving with chair, air and found and Jim is as a bet doer. When you bet your Prusu, I you bet and she will tribute and Sabum, Tiana, or bet it with money that you can afford to lose. Yeah, cannot not Jeffas message with a she infections, the Dogunoria, syphilis, candidiasis, wife, and so deep one actual. Unya Jefferson, no subitia bois, a proper Havana no bomb or timid in the chair. Sounds now co herbal shops and pharmaceutical shops in Emma on Sabitia can Jeffers mesha waiting to be Abubo Nabois and more pomodon some swagina pinting were at the name. And upon one Sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel. You can't do back a few upon pass by Pimonasi, a 2 year day acid fewer, a Sedimo gel and roll on. Okwa Shama, me market on Sabitia Capsuja for them Hodia Bastil, a drone be El Hosasuna Tema, and also on Sabitia Cabinoato, now Abubo, Nabois, Amaniama, Etian Quid, Madunidin, at the Sedimo gel and roll on. So to be a coton as a Otono de Hono, Obitia from 020-821-9129. Now on a Sedimo gel and roll on from paying for Yenjuan Kume, Yenshamwa, Emaniama 822 in Famon. Madama, woman at Techia Boman and Open Sweden Common at me a jow. Shannon say, oh, Facebook, I like here now. I share na filma. Comments no at me as I come more. And me pay beje break na semolite to fear. Marking kind na fair and Mabisiako. I want to shout and also at the But quickly, young call Euro 2024 air qualifiers and matches between Santo from Georgia 1, Norway 1, Scotland 2, Spain 0, Turkey 0, Croatia 2, Wales 1, Latvia 0, and I think so Kosovo 1, Andorra 1, Romania 2, and Belarus 1, Switzerland 3, Israel. Euro 2024 air qualifiers no. Hon kakra ne yapone e dia ma no but yen komodi no international friendly match ba ko to family nyasim kuma kra sabre no na Germany omo any Belgium for na dia 10 times 90 minutes ne ba na wie no na Belgium atwa Germany 3-2 e was akensi ni team e ho no impressive start ka fofo na afin hwesena ne ma Asia kwa no the national under 23 team the Black Meteors of Ghana the Ghana Olympic team no womo any Algerian counterparts na dia akensi na bobo so na enya semwa ewo Kumasi Baba Era Sports Stadium nipa pepian kuma fi achichi ni bench ese ne epie mu ewo Ghana kensi ne Algeria for the 10 times under 23 version no ana ohwese na Messi koso ede nkumo kakra twen senjao chendosomam se Ghana ya qualify for a African Cup of Nations under 23 sa kensi kesi ne beba so Morocco between June 24th and Kopim July 8th and a surgery within ebeba so 2023 yemu na sa kensi kesi ne akensi ba kwa Ghana akantamedi nsiese nyame adoma ebetinya akokire bobre odwumedia no so 18 pm no coach Ibrahim Tanku and dem rante no etimi qualify for this crucial encounter no now for 20 solid years uhwema na se Ghana since Yusuf Alassane Chipsa ene captain Stephen Apiamo momotimi coach bobre je bronze no Olympic Games no timi sampa Ghana nyamoma edin e de amai ba coach qualify after a long while.
He qualifies in the so we 1-1, baby, 0-0. The most important thing is to qualify. In January,
na me san hwade ba ko ese nkran kwa de em say 5% of nkofo atinkan no om say hypertension nti e be hye 1 na e be tenta hooks so akopem 90 minutes no onya ye say we relieve from this hypertension oh.
Oh, the sure, me say the sure match in the air who chances are say no at least you know Hanka we say share 3 or 4 goals. But one in a young they qualifying okay, but they better work the next time no they make use of our chances.
In terms of planner, we the call game we no. Despite the fact that Modin Kunim no, we are satisfied with output no.
Oh yeah, let me say compared to away match, you know, 2 changes. The friend is in Samari by energy as we are nearby because definitely able home there will say more offensive minded. And you know, at least okay.
You're barely less than 3 months as you come Morocco. What additions meaning subtractions be?
Oh yeah, sure. I mean, from now to 3 months, you know, there are a lot of things that now happen. There is some players they're bound in form. Some of them, you know, so they lose form. And definitely, they share almost all the leagues, outside in Ghana. Now, the time
and see Coach Ibrahim Tanko, former Kemfasa Babies player, former German Air player. After so kwano we see a kind of the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana and after coach former Cameroon as assistant coach Edema Cameroon national team no and Osambe assistant coach one Edema the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana currently okay team friends say Accra Lions the second on the league table our team sampa coach no the bonde bono ekwa nim ye pans ni nem no national under 23 and I'm paying for ede amane say onhwemwa emaniema enkuyi enfamom communications director of the Ghana Football Association Henry Asante Chum Ono any the only practical English commentator in Ghana, but anyway, just said you to say or represented one company, which is the GFA, or say under 23 team way or more squad. And watch out.
Yeah, the Ghana first senior ball. This week has been hectic. To have two of your top level national teams in action. And I know you are the Black Stars, you can, and then the following day, Meteors, Esiakan or Algeria, Omubo draw. And then Enra Black Stars can be Kotie. If you play one, we move in where say Yabakumasi. The Fata. I need to qualify for the 2023 U23 Africa Cup of Nations. I think the long-term target is to qualify for the Olympic Games. Bibia, actually since 2004. How many chiefs are Casalam designs the chiefs? It's one of your last captain Odi Olympic Games. Again, now why and into Suet, captain bien to me from Enfayenko. Michael Helleck try Aye 2008. 2012, you try Aye 2016, you try Aye 2020, you try Aye. Again, Kwana, what the year 2004. So free time into me Kobium. Well, at the end of the day, I think a number of reasons. And I have attributed to our failure in the last 4 editions of our inability to qualify for the Olympic Games. But it's a good chance. I think we have a very good squad. Luckily, we will have the tournament in a very good year. And Prof, Adeba said if we are able to get all our U23 players who are still available, from Kudus to Kamaldeen to Abdul Salis, Felix Afenajan, all the players.
And Henry Asante Chum, communications director for the Ghana Football Association, Atene Kase, Ode Nkomo Asia for National under 23, the Black Meteors of Ghana, and Omo victory Omudie over more Nigerian counterparts, and also Eddie Akuguno. Chenosumam says, I Jumedi Omudie and Amom qualification, a last header, Nasa last header, Mom, Quince, Omoko Afcon, a Bessebi Pro Diamom, now Olympic Games, and so Omdomani, 8 years. Last time Ghana, a copium, a try say beating Olympic Games was in 2019, Lusu on penalties to Ivory Coast for I was semi-final. I was last under 23 Afcon 20 PM. Now last time so you could be receive a last Chipster 2004. 20 solid years near Ghana Copium Olympic Games. But busy Sabrino, Yama Enkoye and Farmer in Him say this time a bit week 24 of the Ghana Premier League and also 8 years out was be Chimney teams species as kind. Now if you can find some Carrera Diaboso, Samates, any Kutu Curious and Subishes Canafe Mediama. Any Gold Stars at the Belboy, now for Chelsea, any Adriana Stars and so at the Abosu Tamale City, any Instrataman Ebebo, now for Sokra, Accra has of phobia. Never say die, I should look at Teknan Yankun Tomanatino, one more any Accra Lions and Kranjata, Coach Ibrahim Tanku Timia, and a knee on Bebo, a late kick off in Tiamia Dumanuncia, and Sempa 94.7 FM, a live comment to know, and so a bit Sabro at their first midweek game, yeah, and also a bit out of them other results, no, and a report in a Bessa at Waso at their bro. So said Thursday, Manchester no South was Legon City, and a Kumase as Sante for the Coapam the coach, no, and a Ebishia Canafe at you, and a Accra Great Olympics and so, and the Aboso Elmujumedia, Womoso Egusu Edinim. We soon imagine now, Medema Soda and BC, we can see no, Ebitimi SC, Shansumam said 1 expert, Omotechi, Sedimo gel and roll on. Your ultimate pain relieving gel, also boy chidom na fi fast mixture, and so tare chidi den pa boy, Emma Yeden Common 8 years by meeting the Enoch. Kwesi Walanyo Walasa Goodie catch back up. The act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.
Adom TV Badwam na Oshani da Goodie Mon Samno as a Professor Yike Wallace Nini team no. Ya don't want say dear do so no my anti way free honum na fia on sa penson twaso na pensim mun komodie no yem famro midima for Herba Hospital for and our clinic ewa hase Dr. Time Daso Ajene Dwada da mfa no mreni agrokra Diabeze di dino ene ne honam ese dog anopa ye mu ache mu akwaba
yeah
na bibia aboko de
nyankopa
nyame adom kakra isa na ne yewramu no TV no wo ho
egu ho dada yes
ye ba beche yo yentie midima for her back clinic ansa na ye beba Easter ache de apeso de ma wahwefo
yo mama na wonyankopon ase na yentia Adom TV so ahwefo nyina anopa yi onyankopon adom Medima for Herbal Clinic. To me, or the Asha Dr. Tam da so ensa. Eye ensentrene akese ewo o my gandemu. If we say ebubuafo nante enifrafo snapane adansidia ekoso no eburu nipa adwen ene entiase so. Eye na bebrezi se the doctor sie na ya le sabia de eya na eye empempem na wode beje wa yaresa enso doctor say ube PM wo Medima for Herbal Clinic ya se wukura taku ana se wukura sempoa no nyankopon adom die kura wo bia obia nya na yaresa e wo Medima for Herbal Clinic da bia me kam se nyankopon de tumi hye wo binsa ohwe enipa owo nipa osuro no nipa yale hu hia ni chensika no wode tumi wei ahyenensa me kai se anano na ye piepia videos bi na ebi beduru me nchen na wo hwe papa bia waye voice mato ase bi obi ebe hu Dr. Tam da so bia ona na asema me se menhia Dr. Tam da so a na wotwa ebra na wo yale da empa so na wotwa oba ho na wotwo ono kwan podo so wono antimi ama esan yale nti ne ma na beje eduro bre no na wasan twa wonu maduro ni 2 weeks no ene how awo si nanti a timi se animonyam ka nyankopon se odi tumi we ahye Dr. Tam da so nsa Dr. Taka na asem bi se obi a ohwe mi bia me hia wo gidie se me gidi se me ko Tam da so a me ho beto me mfa wo gidie nyehwe the doctor ehia free wonchen ye wanamontuo se ene anopai wo betu anamon aba be piem ewo kumase ebu akwa agogo na Dr. Tam da so the time ato wo yale so ginipa wawuo anasa yesie no saa ni paper na oni akonya wo Medima for Herbal Clinic se wunwi na yensie na yale nko na hawo yale na etete wodia ube PM wo kumase ebu akwa agogo a nyankopon Adom ti ubenya wa yaresa ewo ho efise ho ene bia yemfa poma ma ho ensan so emfa nko efie biem yentena hwibu ma Medima fo emfa hwi ne enko efie biem doctor se obu akonta besa bosome miensa pempo na ye kase ye hwemre wafo nkokorafo a atopoma guo wona wote hwi mu a wasore anante Mikaya last 2 weeks. Maybe frame or frame de yanteshwe. Doctor Besho Beshe. Mena Yaswa meno. Namsi denti na Yaswa wo. What say? Ye taxi driver wo Atonsu station. Ye driver ba ko ayale be bosume miensanie. Ye say open to kwanti eduabo efise wa honhono ne nase nyina honhono nanim nyina so ahonhono saa ena obi agya na life amano yesi eyeduabo ena me ba me de minim dwuma a wutimi die ena me ba me de ne ba Medima fo ena ye 2 weeks per anope ye wo ho a driver ni na obi a twan ni wuo no wa dress ya oba adwuma obeduru ho pe ena driver sin na eboje so efre me se memra me ba ya ya so me se mena menim baby a eduru ewo Medima for Herbal Clinic no ye kan ebi a wutifia obefo na tra ba wo de fa wo yale ye bra doctor say wo de bra na be so be hwe nansape na wo be hu se nyankopon de tumi kese asha Dr. Tam da so ensa anano doctor ye adansini onyankopon ye adanse se obi a na wo force ya wo no mfinhia duanan a nani hunu ade da nani aba beti ewo Medima for Herbal Clinic be PM wo kumase ebu akwa agogo na doctor ohye ebre eto yale so no doctor we ohye nansa ohye enenan ohye nonum ne bre empa ho ena na yalefo ato ne edin se Dr. Tam da so ye ni clinic bi wo ba bi agi se Kumasi ebu akọ agogo na me kan bi se wo yare na obekọ ba bi eben wo na wasai wo bre wada agi akọ ho na enso enkosi agade sa wo fa aka ba Kumasi ebu akọ agogo na Dr. Tam to so wa emfa so wo so echensa wo bekọ ba bi a eben wo enti be piem wo Kumasi na wo ba doctor de ebre ebeto wo yare no so amam obisi misisi machika se mikotodwe mikoda mentumi na mewidie mu hyehye me na ase atatai wonya ka akwanhia wo na mu abu wo nsam abu ni nyina ye ntatia case ewo medimafo heba clinic da bia mekamiso obi ho ohwe me wonya stroke yale na wakoba bi ama sese eye bet ontumi nantiye wo ankasa wo dwohutum se kane no wutumi nantiye ba o nantia obi a wo show bi papai wayare pen bia se wanya stroke yale na wo pese wutumi nante na wo kọ wadwuma te se wo kane na obi ehu da se wayare da gisa wa ba be piem wo Kumasi ebu akọ agogo ewo Dr. Tam da so asoyeye ehoje wo ba wo betumi anante te se wo kane no wo betumi ayi akyea te se wo kane na wonyale ekura no be piem wo hoi na Dr. Tam da so a ode bre eto yare so no onfo ne bre ne bi ento wo yare so ema wo tie me wo ye be ma ne ewu emfinhia num ne untime ne wo yere nchia da doctor so be piem 24 hours oba ope eba doctor so ba medimafo heba clinic ya wodro no enye no be bitua bi sabi di bitafre bibia ni etise one thought udi gu wonu guna na judu mieno unu wie ya na woni ukunu ahia munhia biem so boso me enso no na nyinse na aba betom nyinse betom wie ansa na watua ho ka ewo medimafo heba clinic doctor say wasame yale wachemade afi 2023 de no baso nyankopon ya aduma Easter Monday ni holiday Monday no doctor say ocha emone doctor echa emone anwa Easter Monday no ende nipa dudu bi ebebe bia obia benya ebi emone ye 5 kilos anwa ne ye 1.5 liters no bi ana Tuesday no ye beche TV mako 25 32 inches TV eye brand ya ewo edin doctor ye adia onye no basa de waka no eye saa pepe na Wednesday so ya che TV no 25 TV no de ye chema wona owo card ewo medimafo heba clinic enti wo pese wo baji TV no bi Tuesday and Wednesday na efine ko ya me pacho bra medimafo heba clinic na bra baji wayaresa wo benya wayaresa awie no na wasan de card corona asan ababedi live ababeji TV me pacho be piem ewo Kumasi ebu akọ agogo doctor we pe na Ghana mem ha otimi yesa niema we say ebiem if we say doctor there or say wayaresa na yede ehia no enti o saw yale wie a obesan so achaw ade ayede aka ho be piemu ewo Kumasi ebu akọ agogo gise de ewo wuo anasa yesie no pe na doctor on tumi nyane no na se unhui na yensie na yale na ehawo yale na etetiwo me paacha ube piemu a doctor de ebre eto yalefo yale yeso doctor akasem doctor akire ama obi ehu se afedie ensema ye kan se yale bi ne aduro no ni nyina ye atrosem efise ube piemu medimafo heba clinic ya yale doctors arrejectie wona yesu we die na nsakrampo ento no ube piemu medimafo heba clinic ya nyankopon adom ti inshallah yale ni beko na wonya wofo ahodie wo medimafo heba clinic enti be piemu Kumasi ebu akwa agogo Dr. Tam da so ena wo show nansa nenan enenan nensia ne bran empa ho sima ba kompo na yalefo na ato ne edin se Dr. Tam da so na waduru medimafo herbal clinic no obi na dance dia odie no obo se sanu kra dia media ye dia bentatia case if say dia watu edi dance na asma okano uti krampo ho bedwuru wo medimafo herbal clinic enti me ka kire oyalefo bia se oyalefo bia dimafo eye medimafo herbal clinic ya atinye bia ni ho wo medimafo herbal clinic if say ehod dia opuma na ene ekura wa wo de ba no nyankopon adom onfa ma metaka ma se mi se da bia da nyankopon de nipa baburu be se wo ha hye yensa se yale a wo de firifie eba no onsan so mfa nkofie biem ene oba kan ho se me ko medimafo herbal clinic meti mensa menai mani machika se misisi sisi nkwa da doctor se wachi a obetere obo ha ofiri ni fie ba no na wachi ba onfiri medimafo enkoduru fie no na watene ye de
doctor number no na e screen no asie no na ne wafre no ntempa so na atonsu owo kumase
abua kwa agogo
abua kwa agogo ubehu medimafo heba clinic number no na wo screen no aseno na emom 0244774282 0244774282 and 0500727215 0500727215 and 0245616336 0245616336 medimafo heba clinic Dr. Time da so the numbers enie dia okan yo dia wanko frɛ na Easter yi enne ya ekɔ hole na wanhwe a wobenya TV 32 inches ana wobenya mo ani anwa na so dia do Easter nti no wo sa yare no so chawade e de ka ho ti dog ye na wose ne fa wose da so papa ma ye fa ye nkomo no ensi ha na ye Dr. Philemon Mensa ne birthday o wasampa ya wodi ne juma Dr. Penny ba kwa ono so ye ne health talk show e wasampa 94.72 bia wonim Dr. Philemon Mensa friend and I wish a happy birthday senya mi shano nyamenya ne kese kosi so be kese na se de bia wo ye fresh no erade nkoso anto shani mu so more na o look fresh sa no won sanipa yare nso Dr. Philemon nyami shano nyo kese his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo happy birthday nso nko emfamon nyami nkoso nshiraw no ma onimdie ni nyansa betime de akyekyere mai akodu mapoma edwaso meko na o man hene kwabna sante aha Hosepe, Sister Sandy be a guy, and so edit was so.
Well, yes, I am going to try and come on as well. Hi, Badwam on Adom TV, multi TV. So, you come from my baby, that say, you will Medina, Edina, the so and so Adom TV. Na your new papa a day a mouth. Now, actually, we need more fun, Chemi. Quickly, there will be reminders for us in terms of a year. Any person could jam on a ye into Mr. Monfa sa a and Gemna Monfel Maso. Your life designs, your life, Eka say, the also mammy at the form, Radiaton Safreno, call to glory. The late Vida Equia Anane, your life designs, O Sunyani, Uniunumina, Yakosum Konya de Mam. Yamiadma, 1st of April, a year. Sunyani Jubilee Park I want to bush for better say but private burial because so sekwa ho anasa ye jumedi ne because into your life onyame admo on the 1st of April eba beta what is answer na Mr. Pepra Ufri London aba Mr. Pepra so kuse also mame da form on also Jubilee Park Kumasi Ben Prempa Assembly Hall the late Oba Penny Adjoa Mansa Dodona friend Joanna Kobna, Mr. Pepra, when you may have doma of London, Union and Maba, Mobe see a year umami, a radi and come on Shamodin, maybe beyond so cosmic. Now for this time, we have another sad news, Mr. Asenson Sukumu, so O Abasel Bekata Mamechi, or US of A, Mr. Asenso. Also, good morning to you, baby. I'll be a Michia also or Quanso Gosukra. Well, Yatinase, it's a big privilege today. Any part to I'm a coordinator in terms of their campaign for them. Baako de onyame adom. Megidi se ahobrasim kwada so adehye titiri wona to aba wa MPP mu. Ebeti ase na wona sa toa de nyuma pa oye e de ma ono so. De bia da meka enipa binim wo audio machi wo mrahye bidwom na ahwe wono submissions on the floor any nkomo mu difa ho. Any omada age omogima ompeso asofo no ni nkomo omuni omudi. Ni mpuntu ni nsachae papa omudi aba. You have no other choice than to endorse and to re-elect Dr. Kingsley Nyako. A brain swan, a siahin for. I appeal to Mwewa Ahobrasim. It's very important. He has been very faithful. He has been very loyal. He has been there. He has always sought to seek the development of Kwadaso, MPP, and Ghana. Indeed, this is the time to also reciprocate that love for Dr. Kingsley Nyako. And they cried my idea, must have the professorship. If my information is correct, it's going to be Professor Kingsley Nyako to lead Kwadaso in Pesuaso. Leadership with that experience, with hope, and with development, and with transparency. That's the needed values for Obia Pese with you point. Doc, akwa ba fisher panso.
Oh, me come at you.
Begin say bibia
One man don't
my good friend beba also. Na me papa down for pa no.
Okay.
My late father. Doc, the man na ho ananka meke. Na wa Brazil se okoluma okoje futuo cheje omako no muteko na bi mu me ma ya branch na madu ono se o echire be kasam se oh wow dog it's my wish honestly apart from say oh yeah my late father young it's my wish that you continue your good works over there we never count why we'll come to some of the issues that you've raised about your region especially the interchanges now can want some more Asante Mantem. I think you are even amongst the few MPs or more Asante Mantem. If you are not the only one, market no interchanges no one. So we'll talk about that. And then they mean sir, because they made the contribution campaign. From Radio Gold, though. From Radio Gold, that is 2001.
Wow.
He has been there, a pillar. Only Deputy General Secretary, Barbara. He's at an offensive. Yeah. He's been, we've been there. Ya presa na bi o mo keni mi na o mo tene mi na. So we've been there. Ya move until guys go to make you be one dance here. Some of these people, it's not just a name in a better TV sooner. Relationship move beyond a man assembly media ediwa. So we have been there. So if I say Osefata, I know why make us say Osefata. Je na ofa ka okudi kwa no so abun se ni mfonyi ne bobo ho kama oba nyese kakai nyese jata oba umbrasim ko obasom ti okoye kakai po bi etimi men o jata dia komodo we no akọ eba oba wa ho brasim ne nokredim and I can vouch that especially to Muslims this particular month mo twen ala nim nye bre be totu mo no edi trochire mu ni. He's a very focused guy. He's dedicated his life. Ohwe NDC for unya sem wonu tutine all constituencies. Enya a specified constituency. All constituencies ojebre edi omachi all left right. Sometimes it's always good to pay for loyalty. Pay for obia. He's been there for the party and for the party people. It's very important. No bia ni yini manu kwashe mrashe na no bia ni yini manu jina ya name or any leadership position. So if you want to vote to elect Ewayawasu East, I don't think you are so wrong. Say Obe endorse the candidature of Nimnyam for Baba Jama. Don't forget that the Juma Penti, all NDC administrations in 5 deputy ministerial positions, right? Yes. Ministries is all quiet. Kosha kwa ministries bi na waka say we dey koye adwuma ma hu say oye adwuma. You know, I told you din I moved to do not sign or court no. No be on my radio TV. He's among the few people. Coke a year Miami Krum Techiman South. That one that on a rest doing Ketia money, hero for some for money, era a year, Mikrum this year, your wisdom portological is that than a Kupukumu. It's not a joke. It's a choice. I'm so many DHs. To me, be dear dancer, I mean, did this architect. Me did from a very clean, clear conscience and mind. So consider in all humility to really engage the services of somebody who is ready to serve. And that is the constituency I'm talking about. Ayawasu is. Why? Montina say. Edamase. We are assalamu alaikum. Oh, wakwa.
Alaikum salam.
You be wako. Yes, yes. I was not surprised. Oh, yeah, lunch no kwanche and any pay bua for. Yeah, me came say causing financial block to the system.
When there, oh there, maybe I want you need space.
Yeah.
I am a yakra space kakra and can district municipal assembly.
Yes.
Oma could true a month for be or cow.
Oma
Juruina, Edwema private sector. It's one of the cardinal points.
Modishia
be save Nanka Aboma, but. This is their time, so they can take the
So it's a private developer what clear on
assembly not clear one, but information is going to be given to a private sector.
Oh yeah, the restaurants are already.
I don't actually know yet. I don't have the full information, but maybe
what clear power? What show it down
concerns in a cover. In fact, I can make me say Ayawasu is the most important constituency in Ghana. I didn't make answer. Jubilee House. Ayawasu East. The whole government seats of Jubilee House, no, honor president. Ufriwa GBC, Ghana Broadcasting Corporation, Ayawasu East. NADMO headquarters, Ayawasu East. National Mosque. The whole National Mosque, Ayawasu East. 37, the only operating military hospital in Ghana, Ayawasu East. So, and we have Daily Guide, Ayawasu East, Star FM, and all Ayawasu TV3, home-based TV. Ominabe French Embassy, Holland Embassy,
and a sport Afrikiku.
Afrikiku Mina wo Ayawasu East. So you can see the importance of that constituency. About Ghanaian politics in general. And even the commercial value. Yankwana, we border on 3 highways. Kanda Highway, Kanda baby ameye launching. You will Nima Highway, and the Nima Muankazano. And then Jubilee Highway, no. And on a border, they cover 37.
Oh, wow.
So you can see even the commercial value, the national value, the political value of that constituency, but Minya, so right inside. Now Kuhuni also inside our rebel. In terms of roads, in terms of even commercial activity. One of the most important markets I work Ghana, a Nima market. It's one of the biggest in Ghana. Wednesday, block. But at Zenkasa market, it means CBB is a Kotokoraba market, you know, type of style, no. And no bin see no. So Minya, we will expose we Ebema near Abaho.
Okay.
Now you are leveraging on this national assets, no.
Okay.
Now the president is with you.
Yes, the president.
Yeah. Vice president is with you. Hey, Otikanda Estate. So you can imagine
the relevance of that constituency.
The relevance, I'm telling you, is about the most important constituency in this country in terms of national assets. And then the same Jubilee House again a bit matters. So that's why I'm saying that is the most important. So this is the value of Ayawasu East, which is yet to be harnessed in the interest and benefit of the people. I see it be harnessed nan krofo no yeden etimi enya homfaso. Ntaba me muina muboa Yeah, be exposed constituency no man for
so I wish you well. I'll be part of the campaign train to ensure say we successful.
That's
Doc, now that you are talking about Kumasi and interchanges uko parliament ayekwohwe unkwa also ya na Kumasi interchange Kumasi and a market Kumasi and a Kumasi. What's happening? But Kumasi na fair share and amunya fair share.
Omahe mamintia ncha baba jama kwada so Asante na Ghana phone nyina. And I wish you well.
Thank you.
The solid guy. But the man is a piece of film on the late Ama Badwam. Wednesday,
Baba Jamal.
Wednesday, I mean, nice program those times. So, when you but I was saying no pay now. Asante Man quite as a constituency there. They are come so. And Anna Kufado, Mamu, is a Bayer MP. They also say be a na Asante Man and Banyambiano, Minya ye. Only say now you pay interchanges be or Asante Mamu or share Alnoga Junction, Swamming, so I say sometime last year, me filed a question on that. I'm a Minister for Roads and Highways, answer questions about Mamu too, some by interchanges. No. So far, no. Swami there only say I cut this order. So for me, progress. And Kumasi Airport. I mean, we some file a question or I think say Nyankopaya do my baby and see by the end of this year there. Or say to me, open that airport. No call is here to say and no more name. Abebwa I'm going to a bit easy pressure on our roads. Now I open up air travel. Then now Boama on my 8 meter pound because I road I don't think say a boa. Now say a plane a year Juma memory no at least a boa. First no nanka abajama mom of one northern part of Ganomutu Kwanya from Accra to let's say Walawale, Bogatanga, Kwanuwa. So I'll be spending so much time on the road and my traffic every day wear and tear but with air travel no
yeah got a lot of
fantastic you know what I mean so Nina Boama it's me ABA economy so but na go for do NPP aban Asante Man do also ye bia wa ye kwan aye wa Asante Man mu so bakwada so a ye were issues but e be also ye e be ye and say component wamase fighting so hard say e betimi aye from wamase school mo hono e be fa krom ho e ba mo side on eno ye djuma ye guso a me say enche betimi aye no so and from Lazab yeah so and I will share so from April we say probably that April we say ya han say
what you want so e go for school no no
san ha do ha so ni nyina ye enche ya ye to sebe ya ma Asante Man quite so Omagana atumpon
okay
a quite me beyond Pogokrum for say this Pokwase we say economy is being expanded so as what ni nyina ya dey am fi say on here enti am for ka say you spend so much money bora because me nya we normal here say otumi ni ya e money pass on here dey how mo so far so good I think say me nya e betimi aye more e be MP kwada so 2 years 3 months money but the was here year Emma Mpunto starting no menu aye for human development you go so infrastructure wise no we are fighting and we say quite so for empire born support no I mean by the time 4 years no ebe call we no na it means say it me aye say because development they continue
all right okay
we start now beto so now washemu kina washemu den so the buyer that be under on banner or banner foundation them ya lay so no omrekese that's how for me it's supposed to be.
Okay but that's doc my main guy also say chairman of Usuampofo onyame adma me menda we are in the question that Jubilee Park kuma Koforidua ana ebe koso ti chairman of Swampofo ne ma me da fom chairman yako sonko pa ebe bo wachi dom na ya beboa mo akata o ma me so na me aduma fiada meminda ana ne kwasiada e ba beta wachi e okofodia eye Jubilee Park ti chairman onyamenka ho ebre ti semo Baba uguta any miensa on this conversation on this particular topic. One, your party national executives, they are on a particular tangent to fish out. One almost say only betray the cause of the party. Yes. You have been in parliament before, and you know how parliament operates on some of these matters of interest. Yes. They toss me answer. They are cautioning insurance so. Ewo kedmami kebi amamum ene eye emrem. Ntibuami.
The dika empowerment starting fitted one. Adi esi no nsinsa so no ade boni ma yen ye party no. Ena Ghana kra amambo no. Ade boni pa. Nyamransem pa na yenuanum a wo parliament omudi ye no. Especially our side. Because Kwame omahine se ne okan no. When you go parliament your whip system. Your first line, second line, third line. The moment you issue first liner, I know the you grow to me and you pay okay, but I have when you hear, but with me and you pay. You issue second one and I say, hey, I hand you Gina 2 year BBM within a day, and now I hand you Gina. But you never say third whipper who as parliamentary who needs you. That is democracy. Nia na mrano say yemfanye adwuma no. Enti se wo hye unia no. Na se yina ya no kobenkrum. Na ne so obi ehunu ni se enye national executive na impose ade no omuso. Yen as a party including parliamentarians ni na adwene ho. Enti se adwene ho wie near the Sikana show says, Kona Kufa Juma, Nasa Okono, and send ye children. It's a way ye nama. And the idea and Wunson sounds on Kwame. My mind Sanka say, Sanka ye 2 year ministers here. Kabaina Kabun send o my because a month in a boom is and that's all. But I say, no, even private sector, any civil society. One crown or more who graduate a party for no. Because almost say, and your opportunity, I be catch it on my penny and an equal to send your oil, your bonya day, and so. I didn't know mind to say Ghana. Ya Cochrane to come and now I send upon Groma. Then said then in saying patches a more and inquire IMF. And no more. Ubi cat, ubi in fact. So for be shown come say MPP be ko IMF anka obededi ebedi na ene neso mo kokego o muguzu pato o munsa do munsa yem ye pa mo chomo mo no omo onkobo. So it tells you the leveler they have reduced this country to. This is a government on kanokre no kro on kan say ne dikan o say me mobosia. Oh, minya kasano oso ma yibidie yes obi enu onye bi uyebi na ehun sika waje ne yesi wunye ehun adwuma yenkaza wonya wi o wayebi ne musika dodo na waje no enye ehun adwuma na wayo no sa over close to 500 billion ya mwaje sankan do Muhammad enye sika na 40 billion odi internet do emiensa e9 interchanges na mo maji 500 billion ni ehunu na mo mfanya Kwame enya reho ndi Kwame omahene adenta na no pe Kwame di akama no za ni America ina ne say yen inti ni dika ehun so they very bad for us ni dika no ni tosumi no say ne oka no democracy no parliament ye ka say parliament tell America no emra ho enya sa dia nka check whip no nko ne ni mfaso ye ka say leadership whip ka ho whip no na djuma me no ye ene won we dia di man ye say the whip inti ye man mra ho dia abide na so ye ne o say we dey we nti sɛ wokɔ na sɛ no mo ahyia mpinimfo kuku da mo party ni trainer na mo atena sɛ wo mo yes ano omutibwa ene ombedi sɛ wo ka no yɛndeɛ as a party no ye be fa kwan bia so hunu wo mu asebe omudi sade no ye be ye de mentimi nka se ye betimi succeed because a secret ballot nipa kakra bi na omutumi de esan omutru so admas ye ka
why did you encourage that type of members of parliament are so proud to take a photo of what they do? Why did you allow ourselves to do that?
Echinenti eni nsonkonsu a eden yehwiabe
but say what
nyabutre me to wase pa baby o free ban me to wase but you see edu baby a on the see edu amanfo so ya do o obi ti se murtala woni se murtala se nya sade no yanka me kura me nyini because you change leadership no wo ko mu di hu atintimai ejire mu se nia party na no omu ntiase mo chiro petition o ka ho no di enim to huru santi no ti da bi man sign mitiri ho amenya problem no sign it no enti be do be a you see abnormal problems require abnormal solutions and na dey be encourage o ko to be we no but it do be a nyema bi how you do to clear yourself. And I make it say, nya dio yeah, me baba dem go madam for ba mudala. Kabizu bi ko bi nyini na dida. Enti Kwame, nya akoso no is a betrayal. In politics Kwame, bibi ni wa yet is a betrayal. It's the worst crime you can commit. Tell him that. Unya betray bia, that's the end of you with that person. Hey, obet me ni wasre or the beti obaka say do bua. That betrayal no will always be there. And betrayal na ama nkrofu bebre wo anka party kura ma yomi nkomo ye mpinimfo by now but the so me na eden ati akwetire enti kwa me se obisa me na odi kan nsunsanso no ye bad ema ye ina o mine anka se lose opportunity to show say their anger because kwa me nye koso o mine mo nei eya na me beka me se me nye beka yo beka se Ukraine for war o beka se COVID eya na ni refi say Togo so no omo na Ukraine bae. Ivory Coast no mo na Ukraine bae. Te ye den na Ghana nkwano ye see the kurano elusive value became the worst in the whole world. Worst in the whole world. Adentia. It means that somebody is not doing what he's supposed to do. So that must say because say na ye Ukraine war no anka Ghana nkwa e ka Africa ina. Nasa Ghana became the worst ever. And I before Ukraine war ni we beba no. So can say na Ghana no. Ne a bobu sekure du baby a nanka eya jinsem. Wo ha na me kan say na nado ekweku boga. Obetu kwan atwon bia. Man nya ha na me kai. Nya me no na ye kan ho yi. Ekofa ewu asembe yi. Na nado by his first term, no two quantum president.
But that measurement, na ne hun so na ode kono. Na ka Ghana. That measurement is key. Nye wie ma offer no. Ne mo okoba bia hun so ode.
Hun so me no de nya bosia no kojiba. Bosia mo jiba no so de no mo de aye. Eno ho adwuma na ye ka se ejiska na mo agye no. Ye mfam tutu adwuma mai den. Moye. Ni ehunu se sebe. Ye mo obi 40 billion. Not me 3-4 interchanges. You're more 500 billion, then on the way.
But the cost of your 5-bedroom house as of 2000 and the cost of a 5-bedroom house as of 2023, you still think that the budget is same?
Who can dollars more any city? If I job. Dollars account. Dollars will devalue to the city.
Debbie.
In this Okasadia, a dollar no mokojibo mu city. Nde oso mo krampo de nkombe na ne sika na oso nkomo ye mo
si dan na miensa
na mo si dan na miensa nine because dollar so man say oso nkomo timi na ne sika na eye mo no mutimi de ye bebre ba won na mo ntimi anyo Ghana for me anope obisa asem we ya me catch your grassroots for because your grassroots for no adia ye mpeni for na your parliament na binum menka so mu na because near shaming crying say more than half then ejina pinti
ba mo ka che mo grassroots for ne say e bi sunye na ye pe speaker or parliament na MPP ni ba ko bi nso ohinte duachiri ebe fo amoso e ma munya speaker na mo ka che mo party for ne say
ya kai pa ma
mo ka che mo party for say ye fi ya pension no na ye wo regions makoma edu nti no na ensia bia meka ho ma enko edu nsia nti ene de abekom na edu nsia ye penso kwa na nye edu nsia no ye wo asrafo makoma de wotwe enum ene omu de de wotwe nsia mudi san komo nyina kire o
omu nyati ehia kwara se ebedi a kire o wi na enim dada ne me pesa wote ase ne se omu yi speaker no ye kwa appointing minister se die ne siye yi living semba ye die ne siye. So what I'm going to say consistently, no, in never be a kosua amwa yenye party.
Then introspection of your mama kind of way. If there's a problem within your party,
there is no problem. It is
look at what was more
there is no problem.
If you have e-levy at all form, if you have our cruising at all form, if you have 6 ministers at all form, now say problem be ni more party no money one ever machine be.
I didn't make us a problem ni party no say ni si nan. Enti na me catch say emi de say dudu na ene gina pinti
but 31 is not an easy figure
me ba ho and na me de be compare MPP for the na nipa ba ku bi etofa ho ekoye nipa ba ku o nipa mienu bi na so nka ye be fansa and the edenya efie bia no mensa wom na wodi ekoye 30 dia enu na edi ebufu na ba no eno na amaye kasa ne e kana se binuma eden ediewu eno na amayi na ye hunu se ye won krofo bi wo system no kwame wonim say because of this in crown say ye guidelines and vetting na ye kwakoye for krofo mu ba begina election no I say ye miempa
but mo be mistake o
I didn't say a mistake
to fish out those so called the people betrayed one. Who made a mistake?
I'm so kase. Assembly.
No, but what may be it's a suggestion or humility. What may be more general secretary more party for the commentaries be or more running. If you read some of the commentaries being run by Okujeto Blakwa, Ricket Kwekuhagan, Felix Kwachi Fosu, Edidi,
it is their colleagues who are talking. It is not party. It's party for the party for Kasa.
If you look at your general secretary who has this, let me read some of them. Your general secretary says that just a second, please. Your general secretary, one of the experienced guys in our politics. No Achuro, no Diabego. Proud of you as Alexa Rollins and Angela.
Yes.
What is your measurement?
No, Kwamiti.
If you are not careful,
Kwamiti,
the people you are touting.
So we are Bonnie, we are Betian, we are Papa, we are Boabaso.
So how did you? What's the measurement?
You don't know.
I'm churching.
No, that one you don't know.
No,
we have our mechanism.
No, but among the mechanism, apart from so be churching.
You call National Executive Committee meeting. I chairman mechanism. I had the fish.
Just to put a certain fear. No, we are no, the only mechanism. And what system I'm going to check it.
When you check it,
it is not my system.
When I have been to make
you were so impressed
because I didn't know what was happening, how they were fishing.
Okay.
We say the ban, yes, go and see.
Among some of the things Dr. Casey said, you were NDC MPs beer. Omo catching omo NDC for say. Oh, Charlie, wait there, say, Madam. I know some who even also spoke to me. Yeah.
And no be this me we na NDC for. Na you see am go say. Na you come na me say hey, you go say.
That way they motor.
It was a system. I hear the fish and no home grofuna or bomb about a claim because you are cross checking and we know bomb. And the sounds of Bayer will be who saw ye and Papa Biano, a Bobona Basso. Near yen to me,
Mojana,
only the constituency for any team one goodie. How about the way unfair? Only the constituency for
now, what kind of democracy are you practicing as
this democracy is the true democracy. Because democracy means play to the rules, respect the rules. There are ethics and principles in democracy.
But you don't make people
the lack of principle.
No, you don't make people stooges so then, to conform to a certain norm they don't believe in.
And the entire system, no, interim democracy in interim. Sana okachame in the whip system. You hear people chief whip you. You hear deputy. It is a cool, but don't go na. Do you know? Ubetime sabe which man be cremonia we breko.
Hey, the musho na was on the
aha. So only decided to be cremonia. Uni breko to kwanta mai den.
The requirement kind of mochiwa dey.
Yes, some American because they say me call you MPP. What man can say we MPP me ni property owning democracy ni.
And only a fapim or
exactly. And this is a participatory democracy.
The
center left.
The meme NDC here.
Yes.
The dumb NDC here.
That's right.
Won't she say you know?
I also would this because we are Christiania. We are Christiania. We say this is in a member. So these are the things, principle of democracy. No, yeah, yes, democracy. So you jemusa. Debi, many of myself so open don't NDC and no don't MPP. Can one say she share and she share not down and say you chief whipper. Do baby a party because he direction.
Okay. Dr. Mesa Bebos, but finally, this is a former member of parliament in Techiman South, or a young Kopa J. Mensa Kasa. And your principle, no, Sebi Ambrasi, Yebidi. 2. A Mashibi Jomon, and yet a sorry few, and a young Cremodayon. The crack, and a mubu when you go to say. Baba Jamal pa oni o man hene kwabna santia bobra from 2000 BC. It is say Baba pa be hwe o man hene say na abai we say oye me swafo a be hwe sikasem a Baba party say on hwe manim na on kan kire me say on to mame. Obi say obi ti say Katie Hammond. He's been there for almost 6 terms.
Enye won yempewo.
The president kan, mo former president kan. The former president enye nipa na ye yi omu na ye mpewo omu nyina qualify ye omu relationship na emu ba bia adunu de ye party
ye party na nkata na sese no wonu sese no omu de atu dankruwam wonu say party na nkata is in danger by that action wonu say NDC na nkata wonu say he kwame wanyina unim course ahomache wonu fi nkrofo wa sese wa mo ntimi na di anyan nkrofo na mpe obi ti say Sabi Katie Hammond problem bena yene no obi ti say obiamwa say onu kwampo den say ye no substantive minister wo big ministry be because wa qualify atra obiamwa wa qualify atra so it must say many problem but edu baby a ohun principle is principle
na mo principle say omo fa guarantor system nche yes, yeah, simple. No, almost one. That means you don't even believe. You don't even believe in. I didn't know. No,
principle. Principle 1 is say, Nanadu abaino esundodo.
Okay, Jina, memo what was doc.
Yeah.
It's some also. Yeah. We must betray NDC woman because first principle is that okay, you know what I say. Monfa guarantor system na enhye CI fofo na electoral commission ebele no money omonko kasa na enye adwuma na yema a wholesale endorsement of your ministers moji pini wi a na mai kana sichi adane mo ho na mo no mabaye mo krokro de John e dia wo money sisa adana mo yasa
yeah before say me answer questions no no chena jo you lose one of our colleagues
oh yeah and president birthday
yeah
na president
and then 29
president
and then president
Kuboga
entino
Kuboga na
adodankwa ekufuado
eki Kuboga
entino
with the traveler
entino I no chana jo Philip Baswa my MP classmate That was secondary school. And you know,
the nice guy, honestly.
Yeah, I'm going to find the crowd in CAE. Now, NDC, Omahine, almost serious back.
What?
NDC. I'm telling you, because of maybe I die a name or parliament, you know, may I measured in what I would say, but me too amorpho say almost serious kakra.
And you know more parliament, you know, almost executives now.
Yes, almost serious because you see, almost say almost fish out here for. I mean,
betray people. The people betrayed them. They have a mechanism
to achieve them.
To know the real party people.
You see, political party both on my son, I'm not going to lose. I'm losing. We are not going to Supreme Court. That's what they're going to do. Because idea, also omoyeno. Omonyo, idea, person power, political power, and you will now focus on. Yeah, Speaker of Parliament, you let it know. They say MPP for Eka some hakoye.
Mukai.
Me say what the kind? Because you see, me say,
not the magnitude like the NDC is saying. The whole force of NDC now is.
Me say
the whole force.
We didn't do that because you see, also me focus kakra
as a party.
Yes, because Edru
Baba nya hair o kan the crowd natural.
Edru kodo pankroma. How I come sin. That also if yakoto. The same thing. Mokotunti. At the end, it didn't happen. This time, the intimidation and the threats. I mean, and you know, minority members not want no money conscience. Over I was standing orders. Order 1, 7, 2, 4, and 5. He is away. I say you got to a bar on my penny nominees. I say by secret ballot. That is what our rules of engagement say. So nipa na kwa to aba. Enti omo kwampono omo ko try kwampono omo violate your standing orders no and even the constitution of Ghana. Enti anwa second deputy speaker make a statement on the floor condemning that act. It was so bad. Na mon kan we say man careful. The moye no media metumufu e be further worsen the plight of your party. Munya sa.
Debbie Doc. Debbie, eyeku wanted the lawyer can. Eyeku share say wadaroma.
Kasa.
Your multimedia.
Yeah.
Multimedia won share wa ha. Uni bia why ready say obi ja multimedia. Bu share so because busu wie pe omo matwentwen so omo akọ. Yeku nko so abusu dia omo akọ. We should learn a lesson from there because eyeku. This is a coup. O flag bearer after 2, 3, 4 days to the event.
That's right.
Anyway, didn't come.
That's right.
I call to the extent to cross their financial support was their blessed work go to do this. Was a kata to say and yes, you be a hamu, and yes, you be 2 months. You be see a first when you go to catch a Ghana man pay. Any part will do away you almost somewhere for no abroso. And you say yes, and you go and do no, and you want to be part of that family.
Bottom line is national interest, party interest.
Okay.
Already almost statement now abana. We did the man that Mahama Kaina talking about party interest. Your body or Maya is not about the party interest. It's largely about the national interest. Party no our interest. Okay, 3 line hip. Mon say. But in democracy, some people will vote based on their conscience and their principles. You see, you can force the horse to the riverside. About me force no is on there. Obey on the principle.
Hey, but Dr. Siana, who if you say MPP legitimate question. Exactly. But I don't know.
Oh, your lawyer. Your school, your government, democracy, principles is here.
Yes.
What I say? So, a party said, do this. So, party can't say, go and kill your mother. You go and kill your mother.
The party will ask you to go and do an illegitimate thing.
I'm just giving an example.
Yeah, no, but it's a bad example. It's wrong. No party. Our party, we are against.
Even as we speak, on their side, And this is for some of the minority in parliament. As we speak, they are even against the bill.
They're against it?
Yes, if you are Kasa openly, we know them. Or a lawyer, they are human rights activists. These are their beliefs. So the point I'm making is, what happened, there's course of parliament, Friday and Minuya, and Cheye, because you not say, young Kotu about Kukum. So, but at time, 6th January, and 7th January, okay, and this is for insist, Muntakamo, to the point say, Minuya, Nipakopan, company in Pabani. Say, Omo Bia and show the ballot, we should go and vote secretly,
yes.
And we all complied. Yakotunu secretly, neba dentina, NDC, minority, a big kochaya on the chair. Because of in whom any the threats.
But is that a practice there? The Aboko talk about secret vote and mutu track.
Debbie, and I make us say, Enra, second deputy speaker, Siama, and make his statement on the floor. And now your practice is so bad. A bit see that, but because of Mr. Fifi Kote and Senkatia, what elections are lose, you can't even collect results. Almost you have to collect results.
No.
Who told you? Who told you?
It's a fact.
Who told you?
The nation was held to a ransom because of some of these inaccuracies on your part.
General Mosquito and Fifi Kote, almost the things that matter.
Ne parliamentary no man.
We need power, and you are giving these directives.
Okay.
Who intimidate your members of parliament?
What do you call intimidation? When I instruct party people that we've issued a 3-line whip, follow a due process. What do you call intimidation?
Ushebi. And this is for how they say, number one, because of the size of the government. They are tested from over 120 to about 86. There were additional regions. And my 6. And my 6. Almost time, no more about 82. 82 and no more.
They have 85. They had 85.
Almost time 85. Okay, so we have 86 now.
Yeah.
With 6 additional regions. So I can just 6 additional regions now. And our numbers will even be lesser as we speak. So, and only focus on the day of voting. I say they even brought in the issue of the CI. Chairman Sabunsu met us, the caucus, majority caucus, and I say, oh no, attaching a phenomenon on our side. Dr. Ayeni, Ayaraga, and Atofosen, they met, and I'm consider proposed amendments. What I say. And the argument was that Omo committee used to say, okay, Omo Saka because CNA, that CNA the buy, it was as a result of Omo meeting with stakeholders and IPAC. And it's Omo Kaumati. But Omo call back
to the people.
Yes, for them to tell and say, okay, share my share bedroom for no.
Say no more.
We no maka. And on that day, Friday now, committee of the whole. And these things were discussed. And this is for, and it was a strategy because on that day, apart from address for, he was there in the chamber.
That hospital,
no, who told you? Nobody brought him. Me, I called him several times in the morning. My friend back home, and I'll be picking and because I cut here. Later we heard say, I'm going to call Lekma to Kolebu. Me, the classmates, some of them knew. Or Lekma, or the ICU. You couldn't bring him there. So it's not true. He was not in the chamber. So, when you know all this discussion, NDC on that day didn't have their members there. They didn't have all their members there. And afterwards, some of our members were not even happy with our leaders. So NDC played tactic on us. Because NDC. Yes, because they didn't have the numbers. And Omoye goes because Adia, Munko for me and Sunny go for me and San Asia in Penifo. I agree on amendments. You are catching now at the joint caucus meeting. say you see for say omo call back and they'll bring the feedback and no moment build a consensus na nyenkoya ni nyina omanta say me kapa say even before the vote speaker of parliament can simply say consensus because who we did yesterday or this now it is largely either by secret ballot or by consensus. Sanka consensus anka yankwa vote what I say and they vote and some of them openly showed against our rules, completely against our rules. Anka minyam lemuno omo yes and o see a chill mason omo try no omo show no see it me chill mason because it's against our parliamentary practice. What's up parliament and is aware of that. You see, so for me, no cry air back on. Me no cry back on. Ya omapani ayinipa. Omo ayi omo no sanka impose sanka motion and kilozuya. Mapani won to me say obesad masai den asamba. No won to me so obetu no masamba and I say on nobody some. Ya duro baby a o my Ghana ye won ahihia. We need to make progress. For me, that is very important. Obe we need to me a strategy. But the approach, me say I hear names. People who are decided that know. Almost way to tear, and most of them are not even true. Because the only one need no.
I want to make catch you.
The only one need no. And unim don't you know? Almost open some of them up for needless attacks, exactly. Insults. Some can even be killed. Munyasa.
It's unfortunate.
Munyasa we are seeing your asimsia. Unya abotre. I say unya abotre eko zongwa. And onya abetipaye den edi. Munya abotre. Na munye muntena work ye. Won se me che no. But the muye na mo de hu tunko font minua emboa. So, yenina yentina se minua jama yenina mo yentina se ne se I mean politics minua politics democracy enya de bi na de opon sabeka enya de bia na de opon sabeden on sabeka do time bi on ma opewe on sanka you sit down wadwen ho do things different anka me no mo anka de see na ka me leader in the capacity of the general secretary and now say their national chairman. I'll call them. Minority members no. So we have discussion because look for a more prudent and reasonable solution than what they are doing. No, a counterproductive, it can affect their fortunes. I mean, okay. I mean, at the end of the day, no party no. But because we are in a democracy, no, we want credible alternatives. More and this form, catch it, say, at least. Can't say, Gonna for say, you not to me, want to buy an A, B, C, D. Namunya say, you have fish, amount of I mean,
the moment of cancer. Yeah, in conclusion, send the coalition result win. Na me who say, near court has Supreme Court on Tiasi. On Tiasi as an omokasa. Inti omono, but I'll pardon him because he's not a lawyer. Inti onono on Tiasi. When we went to court, we went on the strength of the declaration of the results. A different thing. So when Tiasi and Okasa say,
take the opportunity to educate us for like 2 minutes.
In American say, your court, what we took to court, ya tuaba.
It's different from them come about.
Exactly, ya tuaba. And the men's obey declaration. Or your first declaration or buy no say there was a mistake in it and obey a correction. We no results or try to organize and results about in terms of and no see a difference. So we had 3 different results. So because first no declare no, say you only declare first one, you so there, now can say second round over.
Really?
Oh,
the results.
I'm talking about what is going to court. In this on Tiasia, On can say nye collation e de ko ho. Yet
so there was no way even your collated figures could have been
could have come.
Figures
we don't have. We're saying that he has given us 3 different figures.
Now, am I here now? Now, I feel like audio no.
3 different figures. No audio now.
With the focus. Don't be distracted. With the focus.
It is out here, uncle, but no one them the academy. It is a discussion for another day. The second thing I'm saying is no, if you're not going into your can you pay? Or can you almost buy one shock a shock party now up to today? They have not forgiven themselves. Up to today, they have not forgiven themselves. Now, dear, Nipa 136, then Nipa Bay 38. I see ya. We see any din from. Look, we will name those who have done it right. And we have our own mechanism for knowing those.
But Parliament should punish all those people who took
that one is Parliament's business. I'm not going there.
You should proceed on that. I don't know. That one, Dr. Kingsley, I don't know. As I speak, Obi table,
privileges committee.
Punish those people who. I think it's a misbehavior.
Yeah, the Twitters. I'm not Twitters now.
I know Parliament has him.
Don't tell me I want to be kind of.
Oh, Parliament has him. Me come party has him. And in your to me party, man, we are. They say me grassroots form of shame. It demoralizes one. And then you make catch me now so be a man demoralize because no me na sebe. Omkoye sadian. A nip dodrono a jina pinting.
But lawyer, we will break him. I'm confused because at a certain point, the NDC wants to compromise and put in a guarantor system in the new year and do a wholesale endorsement of all the ministers. At another point in time, the NDC is out telling Ghanaians that the 6 ministers, me and Joe Muntu, because the Kufuado, the ministers no endorse. So where is the
officially me who say a true baby I say so mama guarantor system na be wholesale officially me have
but comment of the whole you know
I am speaking about what is open in our policy. Please don't drag me into what they are doing in politics. In any case, can they be trusted? Obi also mobusi abroso. Can you trust him? Obi also Uncle IMF. We don't go today. We won't go tomorrow.
Mama Kason IMF. Mama Kason IMF. It's there. When he was asked, Mama Kason IMF. I did see the call Senchi.
And do you know? By wouldn't be there. I said never go break. I said never go break. Catch a minute. Send no to me. So see unu futua. Kotu akoko hedefo. So omrefi ni nuane akoko. Omrefi. Na onya wi mu dare. No oman no mu hunto.
Focus on. And go say na mo go hono. And respond to those issues.
Because we are an experienced politician. That community of the president is very Madaroma.
I mean, you don't talk
you don't trivialize that.
Jets no na me call on this side. I'm here catch no.
The last and I said
$19,000 $10,000 per hour.
But we can discuss those things. We can discuss them.
So that is where the problem is.
I feel the more coefficient expedition parliament.
If you go and take the one which is 10,000,
okay, so you try umrah.
No coefficient expedition parliament.
Aba damu nyama se try nkomo so mamenka o se nyame adoma eye memenda we ni kwesi da wo eye Jubilee Park chairman of Osu Ampofo former chairman the NDC ne mame da form tie kotai na chi ekoforodia Jubilee Park ye be kona se asori so je so Saturday and Sunday na abusu atina se 1 to 6 p.m. Yenkota chairman for some of Nina, no Mukata Woma Magic Kama. So now your live designs also was this weekend. Also, Mammy, Yakopena Crabia into your life. Oh no, Mammy, only sisters rather, and the Unianum Yanano, Yamamo Shedene Yako, Mommy, the late Vida, a queer Anani, Antioli, Anti Radio for currency, and then Mr. Pepranso, Obekata, Mammy, to free London, and Abba, Radio so far, Mammy, so cry in CE. Yaba back to the studio. Mamenka say Dr. Kingsley Nyakon, Mashebe Janima, Kwada Sumpeso Asune Ewa, Sarasuna Baba Jamal, say Deputy Director in charge of Legal Affairs, NDC, and also Atnasi Wanu say AD and Komo. Ghana and Koso, Ghana ED. Before I call the next conversation, now let me Arapa because of your brain, you know. Baba now one and say
yenye focus yenye see enya ni fota enya ye fearful na mamanya because anka yen crofo no ye no mo kan no komo ye ne fata na sa ho se efiebusia etwa waye ya
pa
enu bi na ye efiebusia na etwa yen nti ama ponto nsu no yenya yen
okay de opebi
oka ne opebi a sie nwada kwan obekanya sanka MPP betima bi na no akasa ndi divonye focus ngam bibi ni beti makasa
esie ne ho abeda kwan
esie na be ho abeda kwan na odumi ka ne obende mi nkasa menu no na mayenya yen ba nya me ka aisi sudua ne se nsem yenu ne di kan parliament ho yenu no mo mu tu no senie kaso mo ntu no a ya san nkro no me sama mo hyede me mo trinkwa me mo apiafo so mo tumi gina ho na wo mo nso a edi bone no nso no omuni omutimu ani because ye kasi official across sebi nebia eno obi ani ebehu no anameboa inti wu na wo ye no woni utimu anya den eni because they say the highest judgment is from the conscience anameboa
correct
inti wo conscience no say ye ma
eno obekọ no pepe
na nyankopon so nkon ehwe because ko to aba no woni nyankopon ne koye inti ohwe ba me two me grassroots for no say na me kan mu bia lose hope because omumu dodo na ejina pintin omugina pintin omumu dodo na enti se wutie me na wo NDC ni amamu enu mu abemu because eden ya se be Jesus Christ kwa ba so obi yinu maye anameboa enti eden ya obi betime di bone ti mesra mo se mama we emu mabemu ne nka se we ntie enye adwuma ma NDC ni we da bi enya ba no aba NDC oye hwan wa NDC mu gra na enya de obetime bu NDC abem enti de me encourage mu se obi enyina ne nanso omayene ni esi no na obi gina bontia no ka se yemfrɛ we wo ye ne se ase en obi ne kotra bebi ne ko share wo mo ya je ina e trans ye ne ebo po so adon ase ni ne trans ebo po a wo fetire ko sane ana
we mambofo
enti wo hunu sebi ni akoso no ya de a na o ka democracy national interest we say MPP interest, NDC interest, CPP interest, civil society interest, OBI interest, and a Bebombe national interest. It is about NDC interest. It's part of the national interest.
Yeah, but it's not.
Say no. Say NDC party no. As a result of this action, Egua will it help this country?
No.
As a result of this betrayal, no. Say your party no, because it's no NDC for Ghana for Dodona, NDC anymore. Say ye babeji o mine.
Ghana for Dodona. How do you measure that? We only have one measure.
Last
4 year results.
No, I know you free wa. Minim say MPP for ankasa parliamentarians abumu akase kenoforiata o ye finance minister no onye. Wa bon. Enyame na make.
And a principle me boy.
Oh, some principles are good.
Baba. Who the show baba show.
Some principles are good. no principle no
no principle no amose mo monto e ma wemu no enye papa
no say no who ya me wawa no member of parliament and na wonim say sesia say MPP to baby MPP say we issue 3-line waiver obey can obey MPP say we issue 3-line waiver
do me so na
obey no can obey no mama no kwa onka
no 3-line you have to follow suit. You have to follow suit. That's it.
Na say yen crofo follow suit. Na me can what you say yen principle.
That's what in court and our argument. Principle is always good.
Yes.
And the end about 85 members of parliament of the MPP based on their principle and their conscience feels that the present finance minister on your papa.
Nam say you good.
And no dear, you did right taps.
Now uko busia try principle papa.
Now see obi kwan say man buy koso ebra na so for waiting papa
na wo fast so for na broma na ho den so wa wo ti yankate we spend
it mo ba be ma na mo ba establish say
60 but do mahama ka 60
mususun kasa
oh
baba mi say
o ma I'm saying wo be say what about the doctor?
Asempa 8 year. Na we say democracy no. Or say to me in 30 years now. Your fifth system will
when a baba be catch you say aqua mountain why so relax no say ya wada da wani mu ya wada ya be say
usam ka say that's why
ya wada da ni
anya ya wada partner some can come na but ya wada ne e federal no
ya wada da
I say because you see 30 years of democracy you perform badly but me feel say Ghana a time will come the parliament no and the team na be a system because advanced jurisdictions are using democracy from Montano. The people no ma per their principles no almost to me go against even the 12 position. I believe say one day no we should get there because over your constitution
3-line whip there mean say baby ya issue 3-line whip mobi because against the party will suspend him.
Me say,
clear.
Your constitution no guarantee.
No, me say, Mr. Party system no, even in America whatever. Some issue 3-line paper. Not parliamentary union say I'm going against. I'm telling you they will suspend the person. There's no way they will leave it.
No, remember parliament I talk about how do you suspend the person?
Oh, of course. The party no, Refiana, I don't matter.
No, you talk about me. You talk about me. So the people will take me. No,
it was going to go through a process.
Yes, it will. But the party will suspend you, and the party will take steps to take you out. That's our system here.
Oh dear.
Okay, Doc. So for
so me no, and Baba Jamal raised the issue be or kasa about borrowing and all that. Baba Jamal, more when you are to me now a car deal here 9.5 billion.
And the buy.
What they call 122 billion.
22. And I'm some they acquire.
About 500 billion. No. Do
500.
Do the percentage.
What percentage?
Do it.
Make absolute terms. How's the percentage?
No, I agree. But do the percentage terms.
$1.
Am I away from percentage?
No, $1.
The percentage.
Percentage thing.
Oh yeah.
Now why are you running away from
percentage?
9 to 120.
I'm not making
percentage because we are looking at the absolute terms. Dollar one and then cry more. And the percentage.
Me say mobile no. Me say mobile no. Me say percentages no. And no na who the actual differentials. That is what is there.
Me mama o tujo money.
Baba Jama. Bottom line.
Me mama o tujo. Say me mama o fie.
Bottom line.
Me o tifie no. Only percentage.
Bottom line. Mobile to na pan family command 22 billion. You buy no, you call a little over 500 billion.
Little over.
The economy of Ghana, mobile for the economy of Ghana no, now is 16 billion cedis. $16 billion. As we speak no, the economy of Ghana is about 80 billion. The size of the economy no
grow.
And normal yeah under our regime no. You couldn't even do a quarter. I'm telling you.
So the next question obviously we're going to ask.
Yes. Minya, you buy. You introduce fees in the high school. Massa. Baba, don't say. Masa, do you have time to read?
You operated a similar.
Our principle was
progressive.
And me say, we are checking.
No, we have admitted that. Mo person mo clear almost man share bibiase. Almost share that progressive aspect. But almost support with 48 cities or so.
Now, you introduce fees in high school. Now, yard with free education for 419. No,
they are saying that they didn't believe in your strategy.
So they say also for one. I say Mahama can 2020 say I'm not the fees.
Their strategy was to progressively do the free SHS.
Free SHS. We've done that one. Yep, national identification cards. We spend a lot of money on that. And then everyone regarding the informal sector development of our economy. One more time, about that graduates any Jumanye, Mahama can say on your magician. Rashid Pepo, or say, I'm going to do a boy. At least you buy an intervention, they buy a NAPCO, 100,000 of them. We supported them for about 4 years.
Was it intervention? One
yes.
Yes. It was intervention.
Yes. We brought this. Plan for food and jobs. Intervention. The drone delivery system. They buy the drone system. They buy
medical in drone.
Yes. So, Oko Portal, the paperless intervention, interoperability, all these things, interventions we brought and they cost money. Road system, because of say, Oko Pokuase. Look at how we are expanding the road. Look at what we are doing. Go to almost every part of the country, we are building roads. Because some of the monies we come for. Now, Oka Sembi, maybe Oka Sembi say, Togo, Côte d'Ivoire. Baba Jaman, two names say between 1st March and 14th March. Côte d'Ivoire, Omo apply for IMF bailout. Omo apply.
I'm talking about
and the staff. They are even trying to reach staff level agreement. Yeah, no more kind of Côte d'Ivoire. I mean, I miss a question. Before COVID and Ukraine war, the economy of Côte d'Ivoire was more robust than us. Yes, economy now IMF. Don't pretend say when we came, the economy was booming. The economy Ghana was a paradise. You gave us an IMF program, and when we came, we tried to say or say it made your body.
You extended the IMF program.
Everyone cry.
No, but we hesitated in 2019. We hesitated in 2019. Then COVID came and everything, got disorganized. But I'm telling you, Yena introduce 1D, 1F. We have about 115 factories running in this country. Tell me, in your 8 years, Mom had that sumo for how many years? Minoka said, Dumso is a thing of the past. We spend $1 billion every year to keep Ghana in light. 2014, man, is all 2014 in this country. Mekapa, yes, lie in April, Equator, gas and fuel. Under your watch. But even in the midst of COVID, in the midst of the war between Russia,
have gas and fuel.
We have them, we sleep in light. Currency depreciation. And 2014, the city fell by 40%, and it was the worst performing currency in the world.
No.
At that, I'm telling you, go and check. Go and check.
Oh.
Masami, I have all these facts there because I'm a researcher. 2014, still depreciated by almost 40%. And you run to IMF. Mama Kache say, we didn't go to IMF. The next day, we were at Senchi to develop the homegrown policy. So me, Anka, there was Ghana, what I said, Sanka, and yes, say, Bibi Nekoso, we are seeing Mamunina, Anka, because be abandon money. But what is happening to Ghana? It happened to almost every country in the world. That is a fact. I'm if you break simple, I'm not changing how many prime ministers. Go to the US of A. Go to Ukraine and Russia. Now say about Ukraine. Before now you see Ukraine to spark as even Ukraine is doing well. Ukraine has applied for IMF support.
Ukraine apply when they have.
I'm telling you. So me no.
Ukraine
I agree. Me no so. Me Ghana. Me no ya too. Say you go out here mu. In this country, because we bought 1D1F, because me every year I import bill at $10 billion. 10 billion. So how do we fix this problem? I can't cry for 1D1F ma. Yet me more capacity. You expand here. But ma why met me at import volume.
What to go if you as a man can say akosumda?
As a man can say to sum no.
Fia Samankasi Ngura Uncle Sumda. Oh, I never quite some Quandia said the Omo way, but none can presume 1D1F now mine or so may be no my own. Only 1D1F. Oh, no, my me tell 1D1F because a chop bag.
I'm only the call Casapleco.
1D1F no numbers factory no 1D1F no converse. Sir, 1D1F
Casapleco.
Na correct 1D1
Casapleco.
She Minya oh. Maybe your mind drone. Sana na wa okano. Kazantin and Topongo. We have the men, Kwame. Some area boys in Koromoko so be good men. Oh, area boys.
We have the men.
Area boys.
We have the men.
And area boys na 1D1F no. And 1D1F no.
You bullshit.
And so bullshit. And interoperability no.
We have the men.
Mention what they can. Tell me what you guys did. Tell me what you guys did.
Who said that interoperability?
Then I'm yeah.
Who laid the fiber lines?
Fiber lines?
Who laid the fiber lines?
They began by Dekufo.
Who laid the fiber lines?
Began under Vodacom. On the lane first. Go and check. Go and check. It began by Dekufo administration. Dekufo administration. Vodacom na start here.
No, Haruna start here. No, my neighbor.
Me say, Dekufo. Am I Dekufo?
Say obiye bibia ye ba nye ba fa ye acknowledge no o kai say Professor Mons bae okobie NY e dey no ye
ofa president Kofoka
ofa kufuo bae e baba ye mo tama interchange kra ye we ba mo ye no mo aja tse mo na mo ye I know a lot of things I want to say mo na mo ye am kra mo nim ho de
bibia na mo ye bibia na mo ye
one lay here the code
Vodacom and Dekufo. Go and check.
The people who are listening to us know what we are talking about.
You are not careful. Go back to them. Go Jesus. Bibia na mo ye. Bibia na mo ye. Bibia na mo ye.
What baby? On baby can.
I'm careful. I'm going to them. Go Jesus. Bibia na mo ye. Bibia na mo de buy.
Na me kan na Kwame who praise issue me. Okay, Kwekuboga we wasem. Kwekuboga akwantu no wasem. Na me ka to say. Ne dware udware wo wiem ne nyamram kan yo. Eye niti wo ne ka parliament
na mo obi no waka. Wan kasa ko fado edware wo. Me say wan kasa.
Media
the bisa question. The bisa question. Say jet na ko fado e o mapende ko e no. Wo what I say? Need to ask or kind of say some penny to kwaya at times because of the house of those. He didn't say so. No, I told Gali woman Kasa. He didn't mention that. He didn't even use those words. One Kasa. Go and tell the answer. Make a doka, make a doka.
If he says
one Kasa Jali woman,
he needs to change. He needs to prepare himself.
Now changing me doesn't mean you have to bath.
Oh no. nyabutre
change mu dane mi you have to buy onu ka ban kasa
fresh no go dey
o se san ho aye
message
na play mu utmi e ho
kai na ne se
o ni mo play
ne me kan se won ne ho
eh baba jama
ne baba jama se
una ka se ona ka se go ta ka se ni no
onyo ka
kwa sembo kwa sembo dia na metueza oh god ya se
ma fa wonu mo nya baby o man na kodu me nya me pese Ghana fo na hu se o man na kodu bebra ahokire na MPP fo akofa aba no ema ne mo ankasa je atum se ahokire aba no senkom benya ano be kofa o se ne o se ge discuss taxes na eba no o se ne se sa taxes be 4-5 yi se yan passia pre-condition for even IMF bidding. Baby, madam, boy. Baby, you could only sample taxes more good.
Yeah, the tour ba.
Yeah, the tour sample. Come on, mom found ten grass. I am more. No, mom, ram was it. Namu the says to bang some man. What's that? That's the one.
Catch out to 40.
Yeah, when you need nothing in there, and I'm before. We are prepared to make compromises.
Thank you.
Yeah, prepared to say about Buano minor cost because you say, Sebi, more
very encouraging position.
Oh, yes.
From you.
Yeah,
very positive.
We are prepared to compromise to ensure say the country will not grind to a halt.
Oh, this is
because when him say, so you are in the next 2-3 months, young person you see was a group in the Sri Lanka. No, if you beat me, it's we are prepared to do compromise. But it is because of your own attitude.
Oh, my example,
in the next 3 months, I'm passing. Something will happen.
Let me humbly appeal to you as a Ghanaian, and I'm very happy with the positive vibes Adama NBT. Encourage your members of parliament. On this note, the Ghana factor is very, very high.
Yes.
On the passing of these bills now, edit tour that die. APJ muno. Omuhu yebobo. Na omufu money to nyame. Na omuhu Ghana bobo. Not even the MPP. Yes, sir. Sie ko yiri we su dia baba.
Utre kurafo anamwa.
Me suggest
no utre kurafo.
Momone su momonso.
Honest catch one so they should be honest to the fact. Transparent. Honest. They should be fair to the issue.
Yeah.
Nye beka si ebe ye no. Ye ka omunye den.
Senior baba, no issue dey say. Yeah, situation no kai say 2014 mamu ye den. Now was saying to do additional tax measures. Yep, support to Yanama. Oh, that was a point I explained into the so moving forward.
We have to move forward.
No, I'm saying no. So I'm talking about the issue of cooperation. No, I'm talking about the cooperation now. No, cannot. I'm telling you, sir, in the house now.
It's been done before.
So let us continue in that spirit because as we speak, your tax to GDP ratio, you're moving from 12% to about 13%. You far lower than the sub-regional average of 16.5%. So we are hoping, sir, you bet me enhance revenue envelope because IMF like Omoko and ISL COVID Article 4 of the IMF Executive Board report meaning the same issues: internal revenue mobilization, domestic revenue mobilization. That is what they are saying. Say we have to do. So to me, I'm resisting from within. For me, a bad thing for us to get to that sustainable level. That is why
what we are advising is that be fair to the issues. Be transparent.
Sure. That's why I'm giving you some of the
oh, I did them kodu be yamudu no. Na mo magana for figures be no. Figures am dem IMF no. Na mo bluetooth no magana for. This is one of your problems. You know that.
That's the reporting system. They're below and above the line.
Different figures to IMF and giving different figures to Ghana.
Okay, so Dr. Kinsley
Nyako,
global issues not affected.
Baba Jamal, Mama now was also Jibreshe, and the Baba make out say Baba Oba was East. You know, Mr.
I mean, me offer Amakwata, a panicho.
Offer the we know we are my friends.
Friend, no mammy said, make quino. Nano me friend, or cut them then quine, make quino. Omra me have quine there now. Share or but Nima or fat hot coffee, air BBC main road. Who rat down what a coffee Frankie's in general. And Marlon way home, Marlon Cranberry Finity. The name will come in. Help me with video, you are coming the 2 hour rebel. Okay, so I cry inside.
No, we'll do that. Dr. Kinsley, Mr. Medasi, the constituency is Medasi for the development. Nami Adom, it's a Thursday. We are grateful for your time. Continue to watch Adom TV. God bless you.